saw my soul inside that fame and said that's it. Crazy now. You never flaking the cold winter. I just came to ball with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me here, go get it. Shed blood, give me lemonade on this cold bending. Pick me up. Always take me turning, always chasing after Vicky. Took me to his fountain and gave me peace and chose to cleanse me up. Now I'm testifying of your greatness. This a different look. Go life been hitting hard, let's take it slow. Take a walk by the river and let you flow. Cause Lord, you are all I ever want. You're all I ever want. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do to separate my love from you.
Hey, yo. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Great. Hope you guys are having a great morning so far, great afternoon, great evening. I know we got people plugging in from all over the world, so shout out to you guys for being here bright and early today. We're gonna get this thing going here. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, cool. Let me just send the Zoom link out and then we will get the party started here. We are live. Hey, it's gonna be a good day. I got a great feeling about today. I have a really great feeling about today. Cause you know why? Cause I know exactly what I'm gonna do today. And that is be patient, be disciplined, stick to my plan, stay composed, and look for the best possible entries so I can make money. Right? And you guys should have the same goals here. You guys shouldn't be ready to trade, ready to press the button. You guys should be ready to wait to make some money here today. Right? That's what we're doing it here for. We're not doing a jump in and out of trades, jump around, throw the dice, be gamblers. Nah, man. We are here to make money. One more thing. All right, cool. All right, we're gonna do a top-down analysis here. Just give me 1 second. Okay, let's do it. Pick a time. Remind me tomorrow. All right, chat. So hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's good to see you all coming in. On your way in, if you could like the stream, sub to the channel as well if you're not subscribed. We're going to get started with a top-down analysis here on gold. And then we're going to take a look at pound yen. And then we're going to chill, right? Then we're going to just wait for whatever we're gonna find out right now. We're gonna wait for all that to play out, and we're gonna have a good day. So again, another day here to be disciplined, another day here to really exercise that discipline muscle today. Not just talk about it, but be about it, right? Some of you guys made plans over the weekend to stick to a specific set of rules, and you broke it yesterday, right? And that's okay, all right? That's okay. We got a new day here. Let's start fresh. Let's make today that day, though, right? Let's make today that day that you stay disciplined. So let's take a look here. So we got gold weekly time frame. Let's take a look at the monthly as well. We just started a new monthly candle yesterday. right? So let's take a look here. On the monthly time frame, we officially closed above this resistance, right? On the monthly time frame here. So this candle right here is a candle that just created some history, right? It just closed above all other candles on gold since the opening of gold, which I believe on the markets was like 1932, right? So this candle right here closed above any candle ever on the monthly time frame since the opening of gold. So we are pretty up there now, right? We are watching history. We have a candle close above now. Can we fill this wick is the question here this week. We got a lot of news coming in. We have the Fed speaking tomorrow. We have, let's see, what do we have today? We have job openings. So we got the JOLTS here at 10 a.m. today. That shouldn't really have an effect on our session. I'm sure we're going to be able to find some positions there before 10 a.m. today. But we do have ISM PMI on Wednesday. We have FOMC on Wednesday. We have the Feds are looking to continue to pump these rates up as well. So very, very interesting. And then we have the press conference here at 2:30 as well, which we will be streaming for the press conference. So if you guys are around then, 2:30 p.m. probably start streaming around maybe 1:30 that day. That's tomorrow. So yeah, around 1:30. And then we have NFP on Friday here. So we have a big week here, big week of news, a lot going on. Again, gold is up there in the all-time highs at this point. And we, depending on, how news comes out, we may be able to really, really push up here and fill this wick. And who knows, right? May continue on up to no man's land, because at this point, that's where we're at, ladies and gentlemen. We are in the wild, wild west here. Like, there is no data to the left-hand side. So we're getting up there. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So weekly time frame, you have we remember that we had this nice strong push up, right? This was a few weeks ago when the banks were in some serious hot water, and the dollar was in some serious hot water, and we pushed up. We opened with no bottom wick. We closed with no top wick. So just a very, very aggressive candle right here. Now this candle again closed with no top wick, meaning that the next candle really doesn't have that much range to drive. It looks like the next two weekly candles pushed down. This candle closed, and by doing that, it created a support, and it also finally closed above this resistance as well here. So you had that push up, you have a new push down now. We did drop yesterday pretty heavily, but we never broke the weekly low, right? We never broke the weekly low yesterday. The weekly low is still holding strong right here. We did close bullish last week, and as long as this low right here doesn't break the low, then we should be good to pump up, right? What do you see here, right? You see a candle push up. What do you see here? You see a candle push up. You see a bearish close. You see a bearish close, bearish close, bearish close. Now we have a support. So can we push up strong like this candle did this week? That's the question, right? Here's the monthly wick fill. If that was the case, with all the news coming out, very likely it can happen. This candle should look something like this by the end of the week. And what does that mean? That means we're officially now closing above resistance as well, right? So pretty interesting here on gold. Got to admit it, man. So let's take a look. Let me just lower this music just a little bit. I feel like I'm screaming over here. So that's what the weekly time frame is saying, right? All we know is that we do have a support at this point. We have a support. We have a low. This low right here respected the low of this candle, and now currently this low is respecting the low of this previous candle. So yeah, we're pretty bullish here. We haven't broken the high yet, so we'll see if we could break the high probably tomorrow, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We don't know, right? We have to wait and just follow price action, right? That's all we're gonna do here today. That's all we do any day, is follow price action. Now let's take a look at the daily where the price action is absolute garbage. So look at this. So we could say that yesterday we closed below. Very weak closure below though, to be honest. Not the strongest close. I was expecting maybe a bit of a stronger close, so that way we can possibly come down and to fill this range right here to the left. But if we notice, there's a lot of wick rejections right here, right? A lot of wicks in this area. Very high chance this right here becomes a fake out for price to continue up here, right? Push up like that. A lot of wick rejections. Very, very, very high chance that we are looking at a fake out here today. I believe we did get somewhat of a range too as well. So let's take a look at the 4 hour, right? 4 hour again is ripping up pre-New York. We could say we got a support, and that's about it, right? We got a resistance right here, you could say, or even right here. But that's all the information we have on the 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour has closed bullish, and you could say you closed above this support right here, right? We closed above this support. Now there's another, resistance. Now there's another resistance right here as well. Pretty strong resistance here. I think if we can get a close above that, then we can probably continue up. This move right here, yeah, this was pretty nice. On the 30-minute, should have been, yeah, this one right here. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, clean traffic to the left. Let's take a look at what this is. So you closed above this on the 30. But on the 1 hour, you have a resistance right here. So we're not going to take anything until this 30-minute candle closes. We'll take a look at what that closure looks like. And if we are closing above, then there is clean traffic to the left-hand side. And clean traffic to the left-hand side. So, 1993-ish would be our break-even point. That's probably where we would move stops to break even, and then probably look to fill these ranges here. Now, the reason I say buys above there is because originally you had this resistance right here. I believe it was right here. And you got so we needed range 2 buys above this 1984 level here. Right, being that the daily candle was bearish, we needed a range too. So otherwise we were prone to fake outs, right? And look what happened here. So there was a fake out right here. You came down, you created a new support, and on the 30-minute you had a candle close above, right? So this is all game now. This is all game. If we can get a closure above 89 here, we could definitely look to take some buys to continue on up here. So again, the range 2 was needed, and it happened, especially on the 30-minute time frame. You had that range 2, right? This was your first range. Boom, support, broke resistance, closed above this next candle. If it had a bottom wick, I may have been interested, but we're gonna have to wait here for the 1 hour, for the 30-minute candle to close. And if we can get a closure above, I think we are pretty clean to continue up. So we'll see how that pans out. Other than that, if we're gonna be looking for sells today, sells 4 hour bullish, 1 hour very bullish. Yeah, we're gonna need obviously some sort of resistance back below this level. I would say right here. I would say right here. Some sort of resistance coming back down. And then we could probably look to, yeah, honestly I would probably just stick with right here. I believe this breaks the daily low as well. Let me just take a look. Yeah, right around here. I could smell a fake out here, just due to experience. I can totally see this daily time frame giving us a fake out, right? A closed below the support, and now look at this candle pushing up. A lot of rejections down here. You got to kind of put everything together, gang, right? You gotta, and a lot of this again has to do with experience. But yeah, that's what we'll sit tight for. Don't worry, you're not missing a move here, gang. We closed above, yes. Very little top wick, zero bottom wick. Not our move. Same thing on the 30. We closed above, no bottom wick. So don't worry about this. We wouldn't take this trade anyway. And then let's see here. And then you have super clean buys above 92 here. If we can get above 92 today, that would be perfect. That would be best. Look at this. Every time we closed above 92, right? You had a closure, push up. Candle closed, pushed up. This was their one little fake out there. Candle closed, pushed up. Candle closed, pushed up. Candle closed, pushed up. So very, very high probability trade above 92. Very high probability. So yeah, so that's gonna be what I'm gonna wait for here today. So let's do this. Buys above here. Buys above here. And sells below here. So yeah, so that's gonna be the day here. 50 pip range up there. All in all, about 100 pip range, and then we got more range to continue up here. So this is going to be our first area of any sort of resistance, because if we look left, what do we see here? We just see a bit of choppiness, right? So if we're in a beautiful position and price is pushing up through this clean traffic right here, and we're up 50 pips, this is the smartest place where you want to probably secure profits, right? Secure most of your profits right there, because at that point price could easily reject that level and push back. So that's going to be the target here, is going to be 1988. That's going to be our first target here today on buys. And then, you know, what is this, 2004? 2004 is going to be our second target. So that's going to be probably about 100 pip range. Yeah, about 100 pip range up there. And that's where I'll be looking to take positions. Sells are a bit choppy, man. I'll be honest. I know we're bearish on the day, but in this situation, sells are extremely tough, right? Because you can have a support here, right? You got another support here, wick rejection, support, right? So it gets very tough. If we do close below 81, I would attempt a wick fill here for about 28 pips and maybe continue down for about 40 pips. So that's really all I'd be looking for when it comes to sells here today. Other than that, I'd like to catch either some buys in this range here, or have some sort of range 2 bounce off of here, like a close below, retest, and then start pushing down again, and we could fill this clean traffic here. So we'll see what happens. But as of right now, this is the data that we have available, and this is what we will go off of. Sound good? So that's going to be the day here on gold. If anything does change, we will obviously adjust. So buys above 88, buys above 92, sells below 81 here, and clean traffic. Clean traffic to the left-hand side. If you do end up getting some sort of a closure back below the range, we will take a look at sells. But no promises about, you know, just breaking back. We may need some sort of a retest, right? Create a support, create a resistance, and then we could probably come down. So yeah, that's the day. That's what the day is on gold here today. We can even we can make this line right here for now, right? We'll just put it right here for now, just so we have an idea that we could see some sort of rejection in this zone here. So pretty much for me, I'm going to be staying out of this. This is really the only range I'm going to stay out of here today, right here. And I may stay out of this one as well. May just look to take buys above 92, because we close with no top wick here, right? So we're starting to get a little weak, but boom, that's about it. That's about it. So we'll stay out of these ranges here today. We will be looking to make some money in these ranges for sure, and we will be looking to make some money in these ranges as well here today. So that's the day, chat. That is the day. Take a picture of it, post it, put it on your wall. What up, Johnny boy?
Good morning, brother.
What it do?
Good morning, chat. It's good, man. How we doing?
Great, bro. How about you?
Amazing.
Hey, we got 80 people watching, 18 likes. If we could all hit the like button, that would be much appreciated. We're going to get started on pound yen as well here today. Yeah, if everyone could hit the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that would be just amazing. That would make my morning.
Scott. Good morning, Green. Good morning, 2Pro.
All right. 2Pro. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here as well. So we got gold, right? We all know what we're doing on gold now. Let's just sit tight, relax. Nothing's happening for at least another 15 minutes. All right. So let's take a look at pound yen while we wait on gold here. So let's do this, right? We got the weekly time frame. Let's scale out a little bit just so you can see the actual information here. So weekly time frame, man, we have a very strong resistance right here, and it looks like this is the area in which we've been rejecting, right? This rejection, so that's overall the strong resistance that's holding GJ up now, right? We had a very, very strong push up, and now we're up in this, you know, 172 zone here. So let's zoom in on the weekly a little bit now that we have a zoomed out idea, and let's take a look, right? So we have a resistance right here, and we closed right at it, and we also closed with no top wick, right? So no top wick on this previous weekly candle. Very strong weekly candle. Really GJ has really been doing well, but we're coming up to this resistance right here, right? And this candle again closed with no daily top wick. The other candle has pushed up right away. Come on, gang, like isn't this amazing that we could see the same things over and over and over again and know exactly what candles are doing, why they're doing it, right? Why did this candle push up and now starting to push down? Well, this candle has no top wick, right? And that means that there's really no range for that next candle to drive it, right? Kind of similar, right, to what you see right here to the left, right? No top wick, candle pumped, and then boom, look at that thing, closed bearish, right? Same thing, candle no top wick, pumped a little bit, should flip bearish, right? And close back down here. We've been waiting for somewhat of a pullback on pound yen as well. Last week we thought we might get it as we were running into you know, this area here, but this candle really just ripped. So yeah, but again, it ripped, but the way it closed, it didn't close very well. It also closed right at resistance. So definitely expecting somewhat of a pullback, right? But I'm not gonna guess when that's gonna be. I'm not gonna, you know, call the price, call the top, nothing like that. I'm just gonna watch price action, right? So let's take a look. So weekly, again, keep in mind weekly, no top wick, closed at rejection. popped right away, and now it's kind of pushing down a little bit. So let's take a look at the daily time frame, right? So the daily has a resistance right here, very strong resistance. Looks like we have closed above. Candle broke the high already on the daily time frame, and it's respecting the low, right? So far so good. The low is holding. As long as this low does hold, although we are, you know, closing at, well, although we are at resistance on the weekly, although we are closing with no top wick, we are still closing bullish, right? So until this daily candle closes bearish, or a daily candle closes bearish, we can't say that we're going down, right? Just yet, right? It's one thing to, again, we can't guess the top. Just because price is at a rejection doesn't mean it's going to reject. Just because price closes with no top wick doesn't mean it's going to reject either, right? It becomes less of a probability that the next candle will drive, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it can't happen, right? Because look at this candle, closed with very little top wick. This candle drove, right? So the probability just becomes a lot lower, right? We're playing a game of probabilities here, guys. So we have a bearish candle at the current moment. We've broken the highs. We'll see if we can respect this low. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame here. So 4-hour time frame, you could say, has a support, right? Pretty simple. You can also say we have our resistance on this 4-hour time frame, and this is the range that we are currently in, right? We're currently just hanging around in this range. We're rejecting from the top, we're rejecting from the bottom. We don't know which way we want to go just yet, and I believe that's going to come down to the lower time frames, right? So if we're looking for positions on pound yen today, which we are, let's take a look, right? Let's take a look at where we are. Let's look left. Let's find some clean traffic, and let's see where we can attempt to take positions from here. So let's look left. Here we go. We got some new information here. So 4-hour, let's go down to the 1-hour actually. Let me scale back. 1 hour, same resistance, perfect, support. All right, cool. Let's take a look. 1 hour rejection right here. So if you look left, we have another resistance right here. Makes total sense. Let's look left a little bit more so we can find some more data. Sometimes you gotta look really far left, right? It only takes a couple seconds. It's worth it. Where are you, pound yen? Why can't I see information? So let's take a look here. So there is a level on the 4-hour right here. This is where the 1-hour wicks, this is where the 4-hour wicks are. So that's where the 1-hour resistance is. So it looks like you have a resistance at 172, and then you're pretty clean up until these areas here now, which is 173.100. So let's go back, take a look at this, go to the 1-hour, boom. So 1-hour time frame, yeah, I think if we can close above I think if we can get a closure above here, we are pretty clean to continue up on the 30-minute. So yeah, so let's do that. That'll be the daily candle flipping. So yes, I think that's not bad. We'll probably move it up here. Nah, you know what? We're gonna leave it here. Yeah, this is gonna be re-breaking the previous high. Yeah, we're gonna leave it right there at that 1 hour resistance. Not gonna take any buys. If this was a bit cleaner to the left, then I would say yes, but it is super choppy in this range. I'd rather not get caught up in positions right here and price is just, you know, moving all over, right? Why not just wait for the candle to close above, and that way you can see the push. So I'm gonna stay out of this range here on GJ. Not very interested. No real high probability moves, I would say, are going to happen unless it's during the NY Open or something like that. So yeah, so let's do that. So buys above here on the 1 hour time frame, which is 172.070. Clean buys above, and sells, man, dude. Sells would have to, man, there's a very strong support right here. So we'll look for sells below here, which is 170.927. Yeah, it's a bit rough. It's a bit rocky here. So yeah, that's gonna be your best bet. Sells below there, and probably can continue down here. We got clean traffic to the left. Target one right there, 170.300. So yeah, we'll mark this back up in a little bit, but other than that, it's basically going to look just like this on pound yen for the day. Not going to really touch anything in this range here, but outside of the ranges, they look clean. So that's what we're going to wait for. Sells below. Range 2 sells, by the way. Yeah, perfect. We'll bring this down here for now. And that is the day. That's the day.
Awesome.
That's it. Done deal. No more thinking.
Yeah.
All right, stay out of this range.
Done.
Yep, stay out of that range. The real clean buys are above here. We already look left. We already understand that there's clean traffic above 1972. If we look left as well on below 1970.927, we have super clean traffic to the left hand side. So staying out of the red zone here today, ladies and gents. No bueno. All the money for me, I don't know about for you, but my money is hanging right here today, and I'll be waiting patiently. I'll be waiting patiently like a hungry lion.
Yep.
Ready to execute.
Let's go, chat. Another day to build our discipline muscle and our patient muscle. Another day to build those habits and develop them skills. Let's focus on that. Let's focus on being disciplined and patient to our plan, and let's win the day today.
Let's win it.
Go. These wins add up, you know, each day. So
yeah, let's win the day. That's all we need to do here today, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep.
Is win the day. Yesterday, what did we do? We won the day yesterday, right? We came in, we waited for our setup to show up. Setup never showed up. What did we do? Close the charts, move on to tomorrow. Well, that's what we did. Some of you executed 10, 15, 20 positions yesterday. I know you did. I know you did. Look at all this.
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me that you guys, I know for a fact that a lot of you guys took trades here yesterday, and that's fine. I hope you guys won, right? I hope you guys did profit. I hope it was part of your plan. But if you broke your rules and got faked out and, you know, got all caught up with the volume, then learn from that. Learn from that.
Yeah, seriously.
Right? We come here, we say the same things every day. Same things every day. Nothing changes. Nothing changes. Maybe we get rewarded for our patience today. Yeah, exactly.
Definitely.
Yep. What up, young Chris? Where is young Chris? I don't see. Good morning, brother Joe. Joe's in the house. I don't see young Chris. I see YMP. But I don't see. I don't know. Young Chris, if you're here, what up? I executed a buy in the 15-minute seller yesterday. Got stopped out. Ooh, yeah. No worries. No worries, right? What could you learn from it? You know, what did you learn from it? And that's all you can, you know, that trade is done with. Bro, can you look at GU? Let's take a look at GU. Yeah, we'll take a look at GU real quick. GBP USD. Let's take a look. Monthly time frame is bullish. Closed bullish yesterday. We're at resistance, right? We see this resistance right here. We don't know if this candle is gonna kind of break the high and continue pushing up, or if we're gonna reject here and get some sort of a pullback, right? Based off the weekly time or the monthly time frame. Let's go down, take a look at the weekly. Weekly as well, closed bullish. We filled this range here really nicely on GU. We're almost there. We don't know, right? We closed bullish yesterday. Is this candle ready to flip and make a move here, or what today, right? So we gotta kind of understand where we're at. We're pretty bullish, but we filled most of the range here. But bullish on the weekly, bullish on the monthly, bearish on the daily, right? So daily closed bearish. Didn't really close below support though. It didn't really close back in this range, which is probably most concerning, right? It stayed above this range here, so very high chance this candle can push down and close bullish again. But you are bearish based off of the daily, so if we keep that in our mind and we understand that you have a resistance here on the 4 hour, you have a support here on the 4 hour. This is basically the range that you're going to be trading in. Very clean traffic below, very clean traffic above, right? Let's go down to the 1 hour. If you're looking for positions, adjust that resistance a little bit, adjust that support a little bit, and boom, that's it, my friend. You got clean traffic to the left right here. You can trade above 125037 above this 1 hour resistance, and you can take sells below 124439. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the daily. Yeah, if you get a close above, you should break the daily high. You get a close below, you're breaking daily lows. So yeah, that's pretty clean. Or if you're a little bit impatient, you can wait for a resistance right here. Some sort of resistance right here. And start selling this thing from up there. So that is GU. GU. Can you please check US 30? Skills, yes. Yeah, we'll check US 30. Just let's wait for this 30-minute candle to close here. US 30 doesn't really get rocked until like 9 a.m. anyway. But yeah, we'll check that out. Let's just see how gold closes here on the 30 and GJ's, whatever. Hey, yo, good morning, Austin.
Good morning, Austin. Morning, Laron.
What up, Laron? Good morning, bro. How do you define your lot sizes? It's all based on your account size for the most part, right? The most logical way to do it and smartest way and probably the most common way is to take a look at your capital. How much is in your account? How much capital do you trade with? And 2 to 3% per trade, whatever that is. Figure out the lot size from there, and then yeah, just try and risk like maybe 2 or 3%. If it's a fund account, I would say 2 or 3%. If it's a personal account, yeah, I can get a little crazy with those.
Definitely.
So it's all I would do, instead of worrying about the lot size, I would figure out what risk are you comfortable with first. And if you're comfortable with 3%, then do the math on the lot size there. If you're comfortable with 5%, 10%, 2%, 1%, whatever it is, everyone's relationship with risk is going to be a little bit different. But yeah, that's what I would say. Just go based off of percentages. Let me fix my camera here. Yeah, it's probably your best bet. 15-minute celery on gold. 15-minute celery on gold. Oh. What time is it? 7:30. It's actually not bad. Let's take a look. What's our stop loss? $14 pips. 14 pip stop. I really wish this was a 30-minute celery. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not too bad actually. Let's take a look at this 30. 1 hour. I think I would rather see
30.
the,
I
think I'd
I'm
rather
not a
see
big
the
fan
1
of the
hour.
30 closure.
Yeah, I think I would rather see the 1 hour close here, being that we're coming into the NY Open. Yeah. Not bad though.
No, it's not. If you were to take it off the 30, you would go break at the highs, right?
Yeah, see, it would have to be a 1 hour, it would have to be a 15-minute celery or a 30 break of the previous candle high.
Yeah.
And that would also be the 1 hour, but do you see how the 1 hour looks right now? It's not really the greatest, right? There's a bit of rejections here in this zone as well on the 1 hour time frame, starting from over here. So probably gonna wait for the 1 hour candle to close here, yeah.
And it's about to flip bearish.
Good spot though.
Stronger.
Seriously, good idea though, right? You have a candle close above. This may play out. We have broken, that was our stop loss anyway, so that would have invalidated it right there. But good eye, man, good eye, because that, you know, that could be valid. I would much rather see this scenario at, you know, 753 instead of 733. And that way we could expect, you know, the NY volume to push us up. But we have no bottom wick, so that's what we're doing now. We're also pretty bullish, I mean pretty bearish on the day, right? I know we talked about possible fake out, but at the end of the day, price action says that we are bearish, right? So yeah, I'll wait for more confirmation for this 1 hour candle to close. But good idea. Good morning, KinFX. I found for me it was about perspective. Not sure if this is right, but at one point 1% was a lot to me. Then once I went to 2%, the 1% was very comfortable. Yeah. Again, it's all your you know, relationship with risk. Just define
whatever's gonna work best for you.
Define your lot size that way, right? That's pretty much it. I don't know what size account you have, right? But depending on your account, let's just say it's a $100 account and you want to risk 3%. You just times it by 3%, right? And you're basically gonna risk $3 a trade. So you can pretty much, if you have a 0.03, right? Yeah, 0.03, then you could risk 10 pips.
Yeah, that's right.
You could risk 10 pips. So it's all about that. I would honestly, hold on, where'd that go? Yeah, like if you have $1,000 account and you want to risk 3%, you can risk $30, right? So if we have a 30 pip stop loss, then what you want to do is you want to take out a lot size that looks like, no, it looks like this. That would be it would look like this, right? No, it would look like this actually. You would take out like a dollar lot, which is this.
Yep.
So, right? So this would be your lot size if we were risking 30 pips and you were willing to risk $30. Now, if our stop loss was 15 pips, then your lot size could look something like this, right? Because now we're risking only 15 pips So now you could put $2 per pip on there, right? And you're still risking 30 bucks. So you just got to do the math for your account and what you're willing to risk. That's it.
And everyone's different in terms of risking. Like you see one trader, he risks 3%,
Yeah.
and you see another trader and he risks 0.5%. Like, you know,
Yeah.
it's all up to you.
Some traders risk 20%, 25%.
Yeah.
And some other traders that only risk 2 to 3% want to call those traders irresponsible. It's like, hey, everyone is free to trade how they want to trade. Right?
Sure, yeah.
Right? Again, everyone's relationship with money and risk is differently. US 30, yeah, let's take a look. So whatever your appetite for risk is, that's that should be your plan. All right, my friend, skills US 30 right here. So let's do a quick breakdown. So we'll go for the monthly down, rapid analysis here. So monthly time frame is pretty bullish, right? We've pushed up pretty heavily here. If we zoom out, we've been just on an uptrend here with US 30. Last month we closed bullish, creating a support. The month before that, we closed with no bottom wick, right? So then we created this support right here, and you have here, and then you have the resistance on the monthly time frame right here. So support at 32,569, resistance at 34,580. Knowing that we are bullish, we did close with no top wick. So what's one thing we know about candles that close with no top wick? Very less likely to drive, right? So this candle again may poke up and start to push down bearish here today, but overall price action does say we are bullish. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly closed bullish as well with no top wick right in this consolidation area. This is an area I've been looking at on US 30. Very choppy over the past couple weeks. So you're running into this zone right here now. So that's why you're dealing with a little bit of undecided candles, right? So what we can say is that we have a resistance right here. We did close above, but again, we closed with no top wick. Kind of looks like a fake out to me. But let's take a look at the daily. Daily closed with bearish, no bottom wick. So see how US 30 is, bullish on the monthly, bullish on the weekly, but no top wicks, and then bearish on the daily, right? Just a little higher time frames are not speaking the same language. But being that we did close bearish on the day, we probably should be looking for sells here today. Again, we did close with no bottom wick, so that's a little concerning. But at the end of the day, this is kind of the range that we're currently in. 4-hour time frame, let's take a look at that. You have a resistance right here. We need to adjust. We need to adjust this support as well. And on the 4-hour, you did close below. So chances are, if you re-break this low now, very high chance you're going to continue down here today. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour, we can adjust this resistance. We can probably adjust our support. No, we still don't have a new support yet. So we probably have it on the 30 though. Let's take a look at the 30. There we go. So we have a new support right here on the 30, and this is basically the range that you're gonna be in here today. So I would stay away from this range right here. That's just me. I would look for clean buys above 34. You got clean traffic to the left hand side. You have a wick to fill as well, and then I would look for sells below 33. Right, this is the daily candle. Remember, daily candle is bearish, so you want to be very careful when taking buys, right? You don't want to just try and call, okay, we're going to buy from here. You don't want to try and predict the low. Let the market do its thing. You come in second place. Let the big dogs push through, and then once they get through, they're going to continue up, and then you just ride that wave. So yeah, buys above 34 here, and I would look for range 2 buys. Range 2 buys, meaning you need some sort of a break, retest, and then up. You need a resistance, you need a support, and then you need to break that range, and then you could fill these candles to the left. Cool. Sound good? All my US 30 folks. A lot of people like US 30. I personally like gold better, but that's just me.
Yeah.
So yeah, my friend, that's the deal for US 30 here today. If you're asking my opinion.
I just wanna say, chat.
Go ahead.
For anyone who's struggling to follow their plan, anything like that, you cannot be good at trading just every now and then, right? And succeed and expect to succeed. Like, you can't follow your plan one day and then tomorrow not follow it, or grow an account or get funded and then just change your strategy, right? So you cannot be good at trading just every now and then, right? You need to be consistently great at trading. You need to be consistently following your plan every day. You need to be consistently being disciplined and patient, in order to survive in the market, We're not looking for home runs here. We're looking to just get first base over and over and over again. So in terms of like you growing your account or you getting funded, like, your strategy doesn't change, Excellence, honestly, it's a rule. Excellence is a rule in trading. You need to be excellent at following your plan every day.
Yep, 100%, man, 100%.
You can't just follow your plan every now and then, right? You can't just follow it one day and then the next week not follow it. It needs to be consistently every day.
Yep, it's like a shower. You can't just take a shower on Monday and then expect to be clean for the rest of the month, right?
Yep.
You got to do the same things over and over again.
100%. Or like even like a diet, like you can't follow the diet one day and then the next day not follow it, right? And expect to lose weight or gain muscle, whatever you're trying to do. It doesn't work like that. Consistency is key in everything.
Yeah, it's a law.
So if you really want your trading results to show, you got to be consistent with your plan.
So true, man. So true. That's really all it is.
Yeah. Literally, like, it's all in the doing of that, of consistently doing that. Consistently developing the skills of waiting for a closure. Consistently developing the skills of waiting for your pattern, your setup to form, right?
Yep.
Yes. All about developing skills.
Yeah, some of you guys think we didn't take a trade yesterday, so we got to switch up our strategy. Right, like, because we have to take a trade every day. No, like, the key is to be disciplined. We don't need to switch anything. We got something that works, right? That's been proven, that's been documented on stream. You guys can go back to all the videos on stream and really check out that the system that we have works. Now it's just, can you actually be disciplined to abide by the system? Right? Like John said, you can't take a win with us and be all high and everything, and then all of a sudden take a loss and try and switch up your strategy or try and go to the next stream. Like, if you want to go to the next stream, that's totally fine, but stay there. Right? Don't go there and then come back and then come here and then go back there. You gotta really build a foundation for yourself. Otherwise you continue to spin circles. Yep.
Exactly. And that's why excellence is not a one-time thing, right? It's a habit. You're not seeing me take a good-ass trade, like a breakout play, right? At one time, and I'm a one-time winner, right? That I'm going to do that. It's going to be a habit of me taking that trade all the time.
Yeah. One of the biggest things, I listened to an interview of an owner of a prop firm, and he said one of the biggest mistakes that traders make is, let's say they take a challenge and they pass this challenge and they notice that all the trades they took were swing trades on GU and Euro USD, for an example, right? And then they get the account and they start scalping gold and just completely obliterate their account, and they never get to a payout. Why? Because they're switching up their system, they're switching up their strategy. If something works, you guys ever heard the saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? If something's working, why switch it up? Just consistently get involved, right? Consistently run the play, run the process over and over and over again. That's all you need to do.
That's it. You know, your emotions are going to get to you and tempt you of what we're saying, but tempt you to go against what we're saying, but don't worry about the money here. Like, people are changing their strategy because of the money. Like, they got money. Money's their first thing here. You shouldn't be worrying about the money. You're not here to make money. You're here to learn the art of capturing pips. You can't confuse those two.
Yeah.
Screw the money and just focus on the strategy.
Yeah, the money's gonna come. Don't worry about that. But it's not gonna come before you get discipline on your strategy. It's not gonna come before, you know, you decide to get rid of those, let's say, those trades that you can look in your playbook and say, these ones aren't working out for me. You need to get rid of those then. That's the easiest thing, right? Just look at everything logically in life, right? If you're doing one thing and it's working, you're doing another thing and it's not working, and you're trying to fix the problem, it's very simple. Stop doing what's not working and only do what is working, right?
Yes, literally. That is.
I sat down with a friend this weekend. Let's take a look at your trades, you know? He didn't think he was doing that great, but he was doing really great. He just had to make one or two little tweaks, right? And those tweaks for him was just he had like 13. So I thought he was gonna show me his trades and there was gonna be like a 50% win rate, right? Where he had half winners, half losers. But when we took a look at his trade, he had like 13 winners and 1 loss, right? The only issue is those 13 winners were very small. He was still up, he was still in the positive, and he was wondering how come I'm not, you know, where I want to be. And it was very simple tweak, right? All he had to do was up his lot size, and that was the only tweak he needed to make, because his win rate was on the money, right? If he won 13 and lost 1, well, whatever he's doing is working, right? Now all he has to do is up his lot size, right? And not be afraid to hold the position a little longer until the destination. And man, at that point, if he would have done that, he would have been up way over like 12-15%. So it makes a huge difference, right? And again, those are just these little tweaks. Everyone's adjustments are going to be different. But just because you're not exactly where you need to be or you want to be doesn't necessarily mean you need to switch your strategy or you're doing something wrong, right? There may just be a couple little nuances, couple little tweaks here and there, and that's it. And once you get that, boom, you start hitting the ground running. Things start to change for you. Just these minor little adjustments that you make, and that's why it's so important having a coach, man. Right? Take advantage of a mentor, take advantage of a coach, because you can't see that, right? You need a separate set of eyes on things like that, and they can open you up to the idea, hey, you're doing everything right. All you need to do is put a little bit more juice in that trade, and you'll be seeing, you know, the results that you want. So
facts. Don't
be afraid to, you know, make mistakes and go, you know, have a coach and, you know, ask, hey, what adjustments can I make? What am I doing wrong? You know, I'm winning a lot of trades, but I'm not seeing the profit that I want to see. You know, little things like that. Game plan sessions. I still have game plan sessions with my mentors, right? And we don't game plan trading, but we do game plan life and finances and all the other good stuff that come with life. But there's power in having a coach and being open and vulnerable. Your coach should be like your lawyer. You should tell him everything.
For real.
Yeah, we're about to get rocking with the TTE Elite.
What up, John? What up, Nick?
Hey, yo, King Michi.
How we doing?
Yeah, I'm blessed.
Good, blessed, bro. You damn right, you blessed.
Yeah, bro.
What a night last night.
For sure.
Oh man. Yeah, it was good to have you on, bro.
It was a pleasure to be there, bro.
Good, bro. Good. I'm happy. Makes me happy.
Yeah.
So yeah. By the way, guys, hold on, John. We have 3 more seats for the Time to Eat Elite program. So we're gonna be getting all that started this week. Game plan sessions are starting today. Started yesterday. We got more today, more tomorrow. So if that's something that you're interested in doing, we have 3 spots left, and then that's it. We're capping it until till probably July, mid-July. That's when more spots will open back up. But for now, we're gonna keep it at 10, and we got 3 left. I think it's 3. So if you guys are interested in that, hit me up. It's a one-on-one 8-week mentorship program. So can we buy now? Buy what? What are we buying? Buy now. Bro, look left on gold. The last time it was bullish at this level, literally forming the same candle structure. Yes, are you talking about right here? Because that's something I was looking at. Not sure if that's the one you're talking. Oh, on the 1 hour. Let's take a look, Scott. Let's take a look, Scott. This one. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I was looking at that on the 30 because we did close bearish on the 30, but we closed above. So, yep. 8 a.m. coming in hot, ladies and gentlemen. We may have positions. If we can get this candle to close bearish but above, we got a 22 pip stop loss for well over 100 pips here. So I do see the consolidation here, but one thing I do understand is that when price breaks through this is during times of volume. That's when price is designed to push through consolidation. So this at 8 a.m. would be considered a pretty decent range. You know, these two ranges right here. So yeah, so if we can get a bearish close above, pretty nice. That'll also be the 1 hour low as well, back in the range for the new 1 hour candle. So not bad. Would probably look to take entries above the 30-minute high here, instead of waiting for the 1 hour high. Buy now. Buy these pillows. Buy now. Sell now. Buy now. Buy now. Sell now. GJ looks just consolidating here on the 1 hour. So your best sells on pound yen are really going to be below here. Honestly, like, I'm trying to save you guys, man. Don't trade here. Don't take these sells. Normally I wouldn't try to scare you out of a position, but don't take these sells, man. Wait for a close below, then take sells. Nick, Jose. What's good, Jose? Good morning. Hold your ears. Oh, actually, hold on. I'm gonna lower this for a sec. Don't want to make you guys go deaf with my magic keys. What's going on here? On MT5, when executing an order fill or fill policy, what's the difference? Immediate or cancel or fill or kill? I have no idea. I have no clue because I use Magic Keys, so I honestly haven't used the portal, the terminal to trade in over 2 years, man. So maybe somebody in chat can answer that question. Maybe somebody can help you out in chat. By the way, guys, I have an affiliate link here for Magic Keys now. So if you guys need Magic Keys, they just came out with the V3 version. So you can get you can order it through the link in my description here on YouTube. The sword is out. Exactly. I have Magic Keys. Can't wait to install and have it set up. Yeah. Yeah, on MT5 when executing an order fill, John, do you know? Or fill policy?
No, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not too sure about that, man. All right, yeah, so yeah, see this 1 hour candle now dipping back.
Abdicadar. Yeah, literally all you it's literally just waiting to get paid.
Yo, Nick.
What's up, brother?
Yeah. During the run session, I just took a roast from like this setup here.
Which one?
Setup here. Yeah.
London session?
Yeah. You see how the candle crossed the bar and break the high of like previous candle.
Yeah.
I was in like 10 pips in profit. The next candle hit my stop price, so I was pissed off.
Yeah, that's because you had that fake out there, right? You had to, so on that buy during London, you really needed to wait for a range 2. So you had to wait for the candle to close above and then, you know, create some sort of a range 2 breakout. Otherwise, you're very prone for to get faked out, because if the daily's bearish, you don't want to jump on buys right away, right? You want to see a new range form and then a breakout of that range for you to be confident in executing buys on a day on a day where we're really, you know, expecting sells. Yeah, that's your only mistake. That's how we figured out how to avoid fake outs, right? By getting faked out. That's how we came to realize that, hey, every time we're getting faked out, we're pretty much trading against the daily bias. So like I was saying in the Discord, when I sent the analysis, I was trying to tell you guys to be very careful, right? Be careful in looking for buys. I believe will continue down after making a daily top wick. So yeah, a lot of times you get faked out when that daily top wick is created. So okay, so we have the NY open. We looks like we closed bearish. Again, remember we talked about adjusting our sells here. So let's take a look, right? We've created a top wick now for the daily candle, and we are starting to push down a little bit. So again, we are bearish on the day, right? So 4 hour is starting to reject. 1 hour has closed bearish back below the range. 30-minute as well. I think if we get a closure below here, then we can look for sells, but not gonna take sells here.
No.
Hey, yo, Tandy. Tandy's here.
What the fuck is good, squad?
What's good, my dude?
Good.
How we feeling, bro?
Good, man. I'm freaking excited to be here.
Hey, yo, you should
What
be.
up, Sky?
Scotty boy.
Yeah.
WWWW Wendy.
I was gonna say the screw. The squad.
The squad. The squad's in the house.
Who's a mill?
How we feeling today, boys?
Oh, just amazing, bro. Just amazing.
Couldn't get better, man.
Ooh, all right.
Seriously. So you guys enjoy the morning? You guys enjoy the morning as much as I enjoy the morning, man. After the session's over, I'm like, man, I can't wait for tomorrow morning.
100%.
Bro,
I'm like, damn.
I wake up and I'm just so excited. I don't even want to go back to sleep.
John wakes up at 1:30 a.m. every day. Trades London, comes here, trades New York, goes to school, works out. Kid's a savage. Stays fasted all day, fills up around 5 p.m. Kid's chilling.
Yeah, man. I'm grateful to do it.
You don't sleep at all from 1 to New York session?
No, I do. I sleep, like, I go to bed around, like, I try to go to bed, like, 8:30 or 9.
p.m.
So, like, yeah, p.m. And then I'll just wake up at 1:30.
So the answer to Tandy's question is no, he doesn't sleep in between London and New York.
Yeah, I really don't, no. Oh, no, I don't, yeah.
You're an Autobot, bro. Dude.
I think I am a different breed, yeah.
Yeah, I know you are a different breed.
Nah, no, 100%.
Dude, wow. You have mechanics in your body, dude. You have this
Thank you, bro.
That's crazy.
Thank you, bro. I'm grateful to be doing this, so it's awesome.
Thanks, bro. Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
I just wake up, bro, and I'm immediately excited. Like,
I'm blessed that you're blessed
Get
in
up.
that, dude. An absolute robot. Bro, on that Trump sleep schedule.
Nah, so I'll catch up on all my
Word.
sleep on, like, the weekends.
Yeah, tell me what's your favorite Netflix show? I bet you don't.
I don't watch Netflix.
Do you even know what Netflix is?
Yes, I do.
Telling you, he's a different breed, boys.
That's awesome, bro. That is awesome.
He might be the president one day, who knows? Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel here. Plug in with us every day. Yo, we're at 977. We're knocking on the door of 1K, chat. So if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, give us a subscription or subscribe to the channel. Give the stream a like as well. We got over 100 people here. We got 59 likes, so I appreciate you guys liking the stream. Every time we get another like, we start to hack the algorithm a little bit. And this stream gets out to more and more traders that are looking for live streams to tune into. So yeah, man, like the stream and sub to the channel. We'll also be giving away 2 $20,000 challenge accounts once we crack 1,000 subs here. So 2 lucky winners are gonna get some accounts here.
Bro.
So I'd rather wait for a
effects.
30-minute celery play here. If we can get like a 30-minute celery, that'd be great. And we'll take sells coming down like this. There is a chance though, chat, that we can either obviously push up, close back above, or push down here. For those of you guys that are your hands on the button for when this thing breaks the low, hey, do you, man? Do you? It's got to get down there some way. So I'd rather look for a 30-minute celery or this 30-minute candle to close below. Those are the 2 scenarios I'd take sells in here.
Anyone looking to take sells, be careful of that support at 1984.
Yeah. It's only a massive 15-minute support, 12 pips away from entry, but
with like a 30+ pip stop, makes sense.
But hey, it's got to get down there somehow. So if your order does go in, please let it go down to close below for us. We're hitting 1K this week, no doubt about it. Yeah. Are the accounts they're challenge accounts, so they're going to be with my Forex funds. So if you guys can pass the evaluation, then you guys have the 20K account. Yep. And you shouldn't have an issue passing it, especially if you're taking trades on stream here with us.
And if you're
I
disciplined,
mean, if you're taking these trades and then this guy's trades and then your own trades, and that's a different story.
Yeah.
But if you're sticking to what we do, you should have no problem. Doop, doop. Hey, Tandy, you like this song?
Feels like those slots, that slot music.
Slotty slot. Morning, Jay Sniper.
And
What's up,
Good morning,
JB?
gentlemen.
Morning, brother.
Morning, Jay.
You look different today.
Do I look refreshed?
You got a, yeah, you
do I
do.
look like I got all the demons off me last
You
night?
do, bro. You look a little,
Yeah, you definitely did.
you look a
Thank
little
you,
lighter
thank
up
you,
there,
thank
my
you.
man.
Woo! It's the green.
Yeah, hallelujah. Look for my Forex one too. They got no time limit. It gets a bit easier. Yeah, a lot of these companies are going to be going more towards the trader's advantage because there's just too much competition out there now. Too much. Before it was one company, they set the rules, they do whatever the hell they want. Now there's a lot of competition in the space. Tandy's dancing now? Yeah. Tandy knows how to dance.
Yes,
You at the gym, Tandy? Today?
He's like, I don't know, did I?
Wait, what?
Hey, you hit the gym today?
No.
Okay.
They have not. I'll probably go a little bit later. I need to go.
No worries.
Yeah.
Nice.
Tandy don't miss.
I don't know.
I've been hitting it like 5 days in a row and then 2 days off. It seems like recovery is a lot better that way.
Yeah. Whatever's gonna work, man, you know?
Yes, sir. I know one thing that's gonna work. 1,000 subs. We're like 20 away. We're at the breaking point. We're at the tipping point here, gang. 100% we can get that done today. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, hit the subscribe button.
No doubt. Sub to the channel, man, if you want to get funded 20K.
And there's no reason there's no reason we're not growing, right? We're putting out value. We're taking good quality, high quality, A-grade setup trades. We're putting value out there, a ton of free value for free. I hope you guys are catching it. I hope you guys are learning. I hope you guys are improving in your trading. I hope you guys are taking advantage of the time that you have here. Not just listening to me in one ear and, you know, having another, you know, having some video game going in the other one, or you're on social media scrolling. Like, you're missing what we're saying, right? You're missing it. So don't do that. Don't do that. I got on someone's stream and I took notes. I paid attention. And, that's why I'm at where I'm at today. Not because of what I've been able to do. Just I've been able to follow some good traders and take notes and make sure I was taking advantage of the time that I was putting in, right? It's one thing to put time in. It's another thing to take advantage of the time that you're putting in, right? So take advantage of it, gang.
Nick put the time in. He focused on himself. Like, he worked on his trading, and look at it now. He's the most disciplined patient trader on this planet.
On the planet.
Right? On the planet.
On planet Earth. More. Shuppa. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is knocking at my door. My uncle's here.
Oh, uncle.
Hey.
He's not connected yet. There he goes. All right, chat. Our uncle Scalp has just entered the
Gang's
building.
all here.
No more cursing.
It's my uncle.
Good morning,
Gang
mama.
is all here.
Hey, yo.
Go.
Good morning.
The Zoom's filling up. We're about to have this.
Two
We're about to-
things. Number one, who's ready today?
Oh,
Me.
man.
Who's ready? And number two, where the fuck is Sam?
Where is Sam, dude? We left. We left.
Fucking concerned.
I'm honestly.
I think he placed a wild bet this weekend.
Chat, where's Sam? I need chat to find Sam.
He placed a wild West bet. Hey, chat, Go message Sam on
Sam.
Instagram and Discord and say, where have you been, bro?
Tag that little bitch.
Where
I
are
need someone in the chat to check every precinct within a 30-mile radius of Scranton, Pennsylvania.
Straight the motherfucking city.
Sam lost in poker and he owes him the mafia like 40 grand right now, so he's not trying to show face anywhere.
I'm actually concerned with the way we left off on
Yeah, the way
Friday.
we left off, we really needed to pray for Sam.
My man was
For real,
talking
bro.
about taking H-bombs and going all in.
Sam is like the dude from Hangover right now. Like, where's Sam?
Seriously. It's like
He wasn't
Tuesday
here
already.
yesterday either.
It's Tuesday. It's a huge week. Like,
Hashtag find Sam. Hey, if Sam comes today, everyone in the chat hashtag find Sam, find Sam.
and everyone give him a follow.
Yeah.
Run
Give
that
me-
follow up.
Give me 1 sec. Yeah, we need to find Sam, man. I don't know where he's at. Check the roof.
Yeah. So
Dude punches things when he's angry.
punches things when he's angry.
Holy shit.
That's funny.
I think we're gonna get a good position today.
Oh hell yeah.
This thing's looking juicy.
I woke up feeling it.
Hell yeah, bro. Same here. This week's gonna be the best week of our lives.
John, I got LEDs coming to my house this week.
Oh, word. Nice, bro.
I just saw yours.
Nice, yeah. These are lit. It's this.
Nah,
You
seriously.
can't
though.
not have them, you know?
I literally believe that this week is going to be the greatest week of everyone's life here. All 100 and whatever, 100 and something of you guys.
Oh yeah.
Seriously, it's going to be a big week.
Oh,
Oh,
he's
yeah.
typing. He's typing. He's alive.
Uh-oh.
He's alive?
Tell him pull
He's
up.
alive. He's on his phone though.
When he pulls
I
up,
always-
don't hashtag. What should we hashtag? Where's Sam? Let's do where's Sam, not find Sam.
Where's Sam?
Hashtag where's Sam when he gets here.
Yo, I can get on. I'm on the charts.
What?
I don't know. He said I can get on. I'm on the charts.
On the come on, Sammy boy. You in the gulag? You in the YouTube land? We need your expert advice. Let's see here. Let's see here. 15 minutes gonna close here in 1 minute. 30-minute celery play would be Butte. Butte. The real Sam. Will the real Sam please stand up? Tandy. Tandy, man. Tandy. Look at that smile, chat, on Tandy's face right there. 2 weeks ago, he was not showing that smile. 2 weeks ago, my boy had that frown. We had to turn that frown upside down, man.
Facts, man.
Yeah, we were
Oh,
sad
sorry.
boy vibes. Sad boy.
Word. Chat was worried about you, Tandy. All
Yeah, I'm in this big building.
right.
Facts, bro.
Oh,
You in
weird.
your temple.
Making the decision to commit. Just karate chop your balls like, I'm out of here. Guys like, oh, God. Tandy needs to promote his IG.
Yeah, I know.
Some little, oh man, yes, Tandy's stories are freaking hilarious.
Facts.
Absolutely hilarious. Don't know how he thinks of that off the top of his head.
Sometimes I think they're a little bit too edgy. That if they do become like out there, that I'm just gonna get fucking canceled, bro.
That's
Sometimes
funny.
the take is too hot, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm just fucking around. I'm just messing around. I love everybody.
Yeah. Here's what we need. We need a resistance on the 15. We get a resistance on the 15 and then a 30-minute celery play, and we'll take our entries right at the break of the low. So we need a resistance here on the 15-minute time frame, and then at 8:30, we could look to take positions here. We got no news in the way or anything, so this is perfect. That would also be a 30-minute celery, right? Let's say we get a resistance, candle closes bearish, closes like right around here, right? On the 30-minute time frame, that'll be this 30-minute candle closing bullish right here. And the next 30-minute would be the new 15-minute candle after a resistance is formed, and we could boom take ourselves the break of that low right there and expect price to continue down. Something like that. So that's the next move. That's the next. We've drawn it up, right? If that don't work out, then we scratch that play and we draw up another idea. And we just keep drawing out ideas until exactly what we planned for comes to fruition.
Yo, for years, I used to say fruitation.
You used to say what?
Not like fruition.
Oh.
Fruition.
Fruitation.
Fruitation.
That fruitation. What do we got here? What do we got? So was there no trading last night? Oh, charts for stream. Oh, Red FX. Let's take a look.
I gotta like do the notification for Discord because I didn't know you guys were doing stuff last night.
Oh yeah, it's all good. Next week.
Yeah.
We closed above support bullish, then previous 1 hour closed bearish with a nice top and bottom wick, looking to fill the range to continue up for a 1 hour celery. Yep, that's a possibility as well. Definitely. That can happen as well. So that's why we got to be careful and not take sells just yet, but wait for a 30-minute candle to close. Because if this 30 closes back above, then that's going to hold true, right? Yeah. Yep.
I love this job, man. Like, we're literally just chilling.
Wow, you don't hear that often. I love this job. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
You don't, bro. Like, whoever has problem with being patient, like, just chill out. Like, look at it like you're just chilling. Like, if you were working any other job, you would have to do stuff.
You get paid to
Like,
do nothing.
literally just chilling.
That's the problem though. Most of you can't just sit and do nothing.
That's true.
You're so on
Do
edge.
some push-ups
You just
every
need to
15
chill.
minutes.
Just
Instead
need
of
to
taking a trade every 15-minute candle, do 20 push-ups.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, remember we are bearish as well, right guys? So we are bearish on the day. This is, you know, really, this could really just be a daily top wick right here, right? Daily top wick to continue down. So just keep in mind where the higher time frames are. Based off the daily, you know, if we remove all drawings, right? Price action clearly states that we are bearish. We got to close below the support, and we have the potential to continue down here today. Again, we may see a fake out, right? We have a lot of wick rejections here, but ultimately we are bearish on the day.
Facts, right? Facts.
Bluebird, hey bro, do you trade us? You mean us 30? US 30? Is that what you're talking about? US 30. Yeah, we already did a top-down analysis on the Dow here. US 30 right here. So yeah, I'm looking for sells below here on US 30. Let me see. You got this support right here. If you can get a closure below, sells look pretty clean. You can come on down, fill this range here. right? Daily candle is very bearish. Start to re-break that low, very high chance we can continue down here on the daily. We've already established the top wick, which is nice, broke the low. We're bearish at this point. If you get a closure below there, you should be good to go, right? You also have this consolidation, but it's below the most recent support here. So you're still trading below that, right? So you got the rejection, you should continue down. 1 hour broke the lows. At this point, you just really need to wait for a candle to close. Whether that's a 30-minute or a 1 hour, you're pretty clean to fill these ranges. But you got 820 here, so you should see some volume pushing into gold. Which way is it going? Which way is it going? Up. Pushing up here. Are you looking for a retest after the 1 hour close? Yeah, if you close bearish, like if you close bearish here, there's a very high chance after the next candle making a top wick. Got to get that top wick in for me personally. This top wick could even come up here and create a top wick for the previous 30-minute candle. Basically, the 1 hour would flip bullish and back to bearish, and then entry at the break of the lows here. That's what I would be waiting for. You don't need this top wick. Like, you don't need the wick to come this high, but it would be nice. It would be nice to make a top wick there and then re-break the low. So that's what I'd be waiting for. You don't need to wait for a retest, because if you look at the daily time frame, you're bearish, right? Daily time frame is saying we are bearish, we should go down today. So I would wait for a retest if I was looking to take buys though. Because if you take buys, you're going against the higher time frame. So you want to break up and then something like that. But yeah, sells are pretty good because it's moving along with the higher time frame. All right, chat, lock it in here. Lock it in, chat. We've got a few minutes here, and we may possibly get a 30-minute celery. Yeah. Comics didn't do much here. This gives us a really nice stop loss too. Either way, we have a good stop, because this is what, 21 pips, not bad. 21 pip stop. If you use the previous 1 hour candle as well, you got a 40 pip stop, so not too bad either. It all rides on whether or not this bullish candle here closes above or below this range. For those of you guys that have done one-on-ones with me, or some of you guys are part of the elite program, you guys already know what's coming here, right? If we close above or if we close it below, two different stories. It's very important to read both. Oh, Just Clips has a personal question for Jay Sniper, it looks like. That's a bit of a personal question.
My man is still working. What do you mean?
Jay, the people have a question for you.
What's up?
Someone's got a personal question for you.
Just Clips. Good morning, Jay. how much did you have in your trading account before you left your job? Well,
Jay has a
let me answer
business.
that question.
Jay has his own company,
First of all,
though.
I don't have a job. I own a business. Second of all, I basically flipped my 10K account twice, so I'm trading on a 20K account right now. That's what you guys are wondering.
There you go. Yeah, Jay don't have a job. He had a business, man.
I got a business, boys. I encourage everybody in the chat to open up their own business. So many opportunities for people who own their own businesses. Employers, leave those motherfuckers back in the 90s. We don't need those motherfuckers anymore. Go out and do your own thing. I'm being dead ass serious. Bro. Anybody can make a business and work for themselves and make 150,000. You just got to put in the work and know what you're doing. Now, everyone's probably wondering, what's his business? I'm a low voltage contractor. Basically, fiber optics. I do media rooms, conference rooms, run server rooms, manage server rooms. Basically, IT stuff for big companies out here in Washington State. Why I live out here. But yeah, there you go.
The IT man, he knows it all.
IT
So
stuff.
if you guys have any questions or you need some help, Jay, write him up the invoice.
I got you.
Jay, you gonna give them a stream discount if they need some help?
If you follow if you're following Nick on YouTube, if you follow him on the Discord, and if you're giving a like every day on the channel,
He's gonna check.
25% off. You get 25.
Ooh, buddy.
Oh, 25. I wasn't even
That's
expecting
better
that.
than Elon Musk. He don't give no discounts.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed subscribe so you can get that discount. But we're like literally like 15 away from 1,000 at this point. So there's 115 people on here. I'm sure there's 15 that aren't subbed to the channel. So if you guys could sub to the channel and like the stream, that'd be great. As we approach 8:30 here and looking to set some sell stops.
We're ready for takeoff.
Oh yeah, we got our song too. You see, we're ready for takeoff. The music knows. Uncle Scalp, are you ready?
We gotta wait it. We gotta wait it.
We got a bleeder ahead of us. Let's see. We got 2 minutes here, chat. So lock it in. Get everything ready. I'm pretty much ready to go. Once this candle closes, I'm gonna set sell stops for the break of the low here. This low right here. Sell stops will be placed right there.
10. Do we have like some light news at 10, don't we?
10.
No,
yeah.
we actually.
Jolts.
Yeah, we have job openings. That's pretty. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's light.
Yeah.
It's pretty significant.
I'm not gonna have it on the break of the current low because it's only a 2 pip difference. So for a little bit more confirmation, we break the hourly lows, we should be good.
That's what I put it under too.
Yeah, it's not worth it for that 2 pips.
I don't know.
All right, so yep, I'm gonna set these sell stops right now. Wait for this candle to close. Once the new one opens, I'm gonna have the sell stop.
Let's do this shit.
Can we get a perfect close here? All right, so sell stops have been set for the break of these lows, and I'm looking to target this support down here. Sammy boy!
Yo!
There he is, he's alive and well. That is funny. What up, my boy?
What up?
Oh, we missed you.
Tired yesterday.
I think chat missed you too.
Did not even trade yesterday. I was so tired. It was like
He had a weekend of a lifetime.
nah, I don't know what it was. Like I just could not sleep at all.
Oh, yeah?
Sunday night, and then next
Oh,
thing you know,
right.
it was like 4 a.m. I wasn't even trading London session or anything because I was like just laying there.
Yeah. See, look at that. We broke the previous 30 low, but we're pushing up. So that's why I set the sell stop for the 1 hour low here. 1 hour low, because we kind of need a top wick, right? So now we got that. If we re-break the low and break this 1 hour low, should be good. Should have volume coming in here as well.
30.
Yes, sir. We have jolts today, yeah. And in terms of going risk-free, you see where this gray line is? That's probably where I'll move stops to break even. Right around, once we tap into this gray line here.
You put stops above the previous 30, right?
Yes.
Alright, cool.
Yep. Stops are going above this previous 30-minute candle here. Right here. All right, so it looks like I've been activated.
I got activated.
So got into some sells here. Beautiful sellery position. Stops are above the previous 30-minute high. We've broken the 1 hour lows here. TP's down here. And let's see if we can get this thing to run. Break even's gonna be right here. Right there. Perfect. And that's the trade.
Shall we get our job?
That's it. Job's done.
Now it's probabilities and the charts.
Next job we do is we look to move partials, either secure partials or go to break even right here.
Yep.
Nothing we can do until then. At that point, I believe we will be about 11, 12 pips in profit. 1 hour candle looks good. Broke the lows, should continue down. Good morning. Activated, nice. 5 pip spreads, sheesh. Did I have that spread? I don't know.
Yeah. Just noticing that.
Oh wow, I did not see that. Why?
Sheesh. Yeah. I don't know.
Interesting. Yeah, we should have some volume coming in now after this 5-minute closure. Wow, yeah, you're right. 4 pip spread on that. Crazy. What the hell? I don't know what happened there. Yeah, I'm not going to close any partials. If we get down here, I'm just going to move stops to break even. I'm not going to close anything. Just going to move stops to BE. Oh. It's got real quiet.
Everyone's nuts are quick.
It's quiet. It's
I'm not MS, bro. I was literally like trying to pull up my MetaTrader right as it went.
Yeah, you still got time.
You still got time to get in if you want to.
If it comes back down.
If it re-breaks the low, why not?
Yeah. Yeah, if it does, I'll go.
Oh.
So I'm set up now.
Everyone's butt cheeks are clenched. Hey guys, if you take a L, you take a L, right? It's part of trading. As long as you're not over risking, you should be good. But if we are gonna go down, we shouldn't break the 30 high. Let's take a look at GJ here. Nothing.
Not worry about the outcome, just be happy that you followed your plan.
Yeah, the outcome is not in our hands, right?
The outcome, who cares?
It's just one trade.
Seriously, you're gonna take another trade again, right?
Unless you risk your whole account on this one.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello, sir. Hey, Nikolowski's in the building. What up, bro? What's goody? What's the good word? Nikolowski for 3. Bang! Dum 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 dum. I come in with you in this trade. Oh, nice. Yeah, we're pretty.
Can we get a bleeder?
Can we get a bleeder?
Bleeder. We will see.
Do 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 do. We will see. Only time will tell. We do have the last 15 of the 4-hour on our side as well, right? If the 4-hour is bullish, then the last 15 should pull back, which is in our favor today. Tomorrow's a big day though. Big day.
Come on, give us a bleeder. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yes.
Give us a bleeder. Give us a bleeder.
I'm expecting a bleeder.
Give us a bleeder. Give us a bleeder.
Give us a bleeder. Can we get a bleeder?
I'm expecting the bleeder.
I'm in.
Oh, the Sam's in. Extra
That's
confirmation.
Andrew.
Dude, the spread was wild.
Yo,
bro.
for real.
Yeah, it's insane.
Yeesh.
Retarded. I don't know why.
Damn.
Not sure why.
The spread is wild.
Yeah.
I'm in. Oh, nice. Yeah, we should see a push. Should see a push here.
We have bleeder.
We have a
We
bleeder.
have bleeder. Yes, sir.
I really want to see. I want to see this thing really run. Like I'm looking to see this thing like drive here.
You and me both.
There's 7,117 languages known in the world.
Wow.
And Nikolowski chose to speak facts. He said, we have bleeder. Big push, yes, sir.
Yeah. We should get a nice push.
See this push. Let me see it.
Got a 5-minute candle that closed here, so
Option.
may see a little bit of another pullback and continue down.
Get down there.
Get down. Guess
I
what,
wasn't
chat?
expecting that with the
I'm
spread.
A-okay with taking a loss here as well, because I'm not over risking. I'm not over trading. It's totally fine. Whatever the outcome of this trade is, it's totally fine. It's one trade.
Oh, no.
My job is to execute on what I know works best, and that's this celery play right here, going in the direction of the daily bias. All right, anticipating this candle to continue down. 4 hours should get a pullback as well. L spreads, yeah, L spreads for sure. What position size am I taking? 10 lot. 10 lots.
Chat, can we hit 1,000 today?
Oh, we're almost there. I think we're like 15 away. 14, maybe 15 away.
Chat starts to get comfortable with sitting and draw down.
Yeah, remember, every trade's not going to just fly for us, right? A lot of them do.
That's where you can,
but not
that's
all.
where you can develop the skill. Here.
Yeah, these ones feel really good because you know you sat in it,
Oh, yeah.
you hung out, you stayed tight, you stayed composed. You're on demo, that's fine. You're learning the strategy, so not a bad idea. Spreads are somewhat back to normal. Unfortunately, we entered already.
All right.
Ooh. Oh yeah. All right, new 15-minute candle's gonna open here. All right, so we got a new candle to open. Let's see where we can go. Do. Can we get a bleeder? Yeah, we re-break the 30 low, we should be good.
Definitely.
Need a birth.
Push. Yeah, you start getting spiritual when you're in a trade. Please, God help me today. I know I haven't looked at you in a long time. I know I turned my back on you, dog.
But this one time.
Please, I'm over risking. I'm risking my whole account here, Lord. Please, I promise.
Please, I'll never do it again.
I'll pay attention to you every day moving forward. Just save me.
I'll go to church every Sunday.
Oh man, too funny.
It like wants to go down. It's teetering at 1986.
Yeah, we should start to get a move here on this 15-minute candle.
Yeah, let's get it gold. What you got for me, Goldie?
Goldie. Do 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 do. Let's take a look at pound yen while we wait. Just in the range here. Nothing yet. Yeah, so at the end of the day, right, you did your job. We only have one job here in trading, and that's to execute on our setup. It's to wait until the setup shows up and then execute on the setup when it does show up. And then at that point, your job is done, right? You have logical areas where you're gonna go risk-free on the trade. You have logical areas where you're gonna have a stop loss, where you're gonna have a take profit, and that's it. Now you just sit tight and hang out and wait for price to get to one or the other. Right, and if you're not over risking, you're not over trading, you shouldn't be worried. You shouldn't have an issue at all with sitting in a trade.
Not worried about the outcome results. Be worried about the technicals. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it wants to bleed.
Nick, play the chat. Jay shared. Oh, maybe I should. This is actually our song when we trade. Isn't it funny how that song's on right now?
Let's keep it on. I don't want to mess anything up.
Uncle Scout's one of those like Italian superstitious dudes. Like, yeah, don't put anything up. Put him in the bathroom. Put him in the bathroom. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Put him in the bathroom.
I don't want him looking at my MT5.
I don't. Yo. Tandy, walk the dog. Walk the dog. Just kidding, Tandy. You don't have to. You don't have to. Get Odin wild up, ready to go. I don't want him looking at my MT5. That's too funny.
Come on, this is just trying to bleed.
Ooh.
What we gonna do here? What we gonna do?
We break that low, we got a goner,
Oh
boys.
my god, we're gone, bro. 15-minute low, that's gone.
Yeah.
30-minute low, shit.
Let's see, 15 minute, yeah.
See what it do.
Let's don't switch the song. Don't switch the song. Oh, run that back.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Run it back. Run it back. Are you guys ready for a ride? Because if we don't do anything and hit any of these targets by the 4 hour, we're just gonna hold this thing. We're gonna hold it for the 4 hour close and the open of the new 4 hour. Get the Celsius cracked. Get the Celsius. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Doop. Hold all day. All day. All day and tomorrow. Oh, never broke the low here on the 15. Interesting. We needed a top wick too. So maybe we get this top wick and continue down. Hold the line. Did we get the top wick? Yeah, I think so, right?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. All right, Goldie.
What's it gonna do?
Do what you do best.
We might be in this till like 9:30.
Honestly, I plan on holding this trade.
Same, honestly. Due to spread, I'm holding it longer than I was gonna.
What would you say?
I said due to spread.
Yeah, we're. What I do like is we didn't get spreaded in.
Yeah.
Like I got in at regular price, but for some reason the spread was really high. I'm not sure how that all worked out.
I got it at 1985.
Yeah.
0.76.
My entry's right here where the red meets the green. Let me pray to the FX God. No, there's only one God. You just pray to him.
Let's go. Get down, man. He wants to go down.
I know, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I know. I know you're kidding. I know you're kidding.
Yeah, this is.
I got a 2 pip spread. Yeah, I think my spread was like 3 pips, something like that. I mean, I'm in profit now. So.
It's gonna go.
Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? Gotta break that low if it's gonna go.
Hello, man.
Do.
What you got for me, Goldie?
What you got? Let's let me see here. We gotta mark this trade up. First trade of May. Let's go. We are on the board. So what time was that? Was that at 8:30? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
8:30 a.m. Date is 05/02/23. Pair, gold, sell, breakout, celery, 30-minute, full. Question, why didn't you consider taking the 1 hour support resistance into consideration at 1985 right here? So we have a celery play at 8:30 where volume should start to come in. We are bearish overall on the day, right? We're just kind of making a top wick right now. We should continue down. And during times of volume is really when those, if you're talking about this one on the 1 hour, that's where we're gonna move stops to break even. So we are taking it into consideration, but we do expect, right, if we're closing bearish, we have a fake out on the 1 hour, creating resistance to possibly continue down on the daily candle, then it only makes sense that you enter positions as you have a 30-minute celery play. Because this candle right here shouldn't have a problem driving. Once it does tap into these levels here, that's where we'll make the trade risk free, just in case we do get some rejection off that level. But other than that, we should continue moving bearish if this candle wants to, you know, flip bearish today, right? Previous candle closed bearish. This one should just create a top wick and continue moving down. So that's the idea on the trade. You had a 1 hour resistance, so basically a 1 hour onion, 30-minute celery. These trades are about an 85% win rate. I mean, 92% win rate for the celery. Based off this 1 hour, you have over 85% win rate.
Let's go, baby, break a low.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about. I see it right here. I see what you mean. So we got the 1 hour candle closing up here in about 2 minutes. So now we will basically have previous candle stops, same entry kind of if we were waiting on this 1 hour. And yeah, should be good.
Everyone, put your finger over the closed full. Let's pretend to get out. Let's pretend like we're gonna get out.
It would be nice to break these lows here, but that's totally fine. We may go back into drawdown a little bit here for the new 1 hour candle. It's gonna open up with a top wick, I'm sure. New 4 hour candle as well.
Yeah.
Before it continues down, so just be aware of that. If you don't like the trade, by the way, you can close right here at break even too. But me, I'm gonna hold.
No, I like this. I think this is gonna go down.
Yeah. If you don't like it, guys, you could always close right here before the 1 hour, and then maybe if it re-breaks the lows on the 1 hour, maybe get back in or something. But I won't be closing anything. I'll just be holding this. We'll have a previous candle stop now as well.
30 just closed.
All right, so we need a little bit of a top wick here, and then we re-break these lows. We should continue down. Four-hour close bullish, I'm sure, right? So yeah, we're gonna need a bottom wick here, definitely.
Oh yeah, to be chilled. Can we get a bottom wick?
boom, 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 boom. So basically now, if you guys are not in the position yet, after this top wick, you can pretty much have a sell stop on the break of that low. Stops are now previous 1 hour candle, which if we do break the high, it'll invalidate the trade regardless. So,
Yep.
but as long as we respect these highs, then we should be good to go. The only way I'll manage this now in a losing position is if we get a candle to close bullish back above this range here. Other than that, trade's still good. Let's take a look how GJ closed here. Nothing. Range game here on Pound Yen. Look at this. Yeah, Daly's pretty nasty. Daly needs to make a decision here. Most likely close bearish.
I'm so late to school.
Are you?
Hell yeah.
Just be like, yeah, I had a diarrhea this morning.
Tell me how to bleed.
I did. My freaking ass is bleeding.
Be like, I had to catch a bleeder before school today, Mr. Sullivan.
That shit was bleeding. Come down and break them loose.
4 hour bottom wick. Come on.
Yeah, even a 4 hour 4 hour closed below this level here too. See this level right here? We closed below, so we may get a pop and then 4 hours start moving back down in this range. Something like
I was
this.
shocked, bro, with the spreads. I was like, what?
Doom, doom, doom.
Yeah, here we go. It should come down.
So we break these 1 hour lows, very high chance we continue down now.
I might move my stop below the previous 30. Is that where you have yours, Nick?
I have mine still in the same
Still at
spot.
the same spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's see the push.
Should get a push hit. 5 minute candle open, so that's what our top wick here is.
Yeah.
Our little pullback's about. Previous
We're
4 hour
gonna, we're gonna have to earn this one.
Yes, sir.
The dollar's driving. It just broke a major resistance area,
Oh, nice.
so this should go down.
Let's take a look at the Dixie here. Oh, nice. Closed above too. Beautiful. Oh yeah, dollar's got clean traffic now. Up until 102. Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Wow. Oh. Yeah, it stopped.
You got stops?
Yeah.
I haven't yet. Stops.
Oh, coming up to the 1 hour high here.
I got stopped.
Did you? I'm still in.
John, you're still in? You got stopped.
I got stops.
Yeah, I got stops right up here.
Yep.
Broke 15 highs. Broke 30 highs. Did it break the 1 hour? Came right up to it. Do. Can we get a bleeder? Did you guys have your stops like right on the 1 hour high?
Yeah.
I had mine like maybe 2 or 3 pips of, kind of like where you see it here.
I'll consider giving that a second chance. I don't know.
Maybe wait for a 1 hour celery.
Yeah.
Unless we get stopped out. Sam, you still in?
Yes, sir. See, I was gonna say too, like whenever I put my stop losses in, so like I would take it from whatever my spread is, and then like I'll add that too, so that way you don't get tapped out by spread too. Sometimes it will come right up to like with gold, for example,
right,
and it'll just tap those zones.
Yep.
Like if you look at the 4 hour now, it'll look like super clean on how it's gonna come down and flip.
Yep. 4 hour tapped into this area here. Now it should come down, start breaking the low. See if we could break this low. There we go. That's nice. Time to eat. Yeah, we're looking good here. About almost 10 pips up.
XAUUSD's in. Austin's in.
All right, so I'm gonna move stops to break even at this point. Make it a risk-free trade. I'm not gonna close anything just yet. I really want to see if we can get this thing to drive. We're tapping into the zone here, but yeah, I want to see if we can get this thing to run.
Yeah, I think it should just drive if it's gonna go.
Yeah.
As well.
We do have 9:30 coming up as well, so we could be sitting tight waiting for that. But yeah.
Like there should be, but there should be no reason it makes like that big of a wick and then pulls back.
Yeah, and then
goes
starts
up and
pulling
breaks the
back.
high again. Yeah.
But yeah, trade's risk free at this point. We could reject this level, right? That's why we're going B. Well, that's why I'm going B at this point. But I'm really expecting this thing to start driving. 4 hours should start dipping down. We've just broken the current low. We should have no business flipping again.
If we could just like push a little more,
yeah,
close below on this next 15.
Yeah, we need a drive.
That'd be like bread and butter.
Yeah, yep. Yeah, we need a drive. We need to break past this zone right here.
Yeah, it's got like 1 more minute.
There we go.
Let's see if it does it for us. That'd be amazing, man.
If we close with 15 no bottom wick, I'll probably just close half, and then just whatever happens with the rest happens.
Push on down, baby.
There we go. There we go. We're moving through that zone now. Perfect. I close half right there because we're gonna need a new wick as well. So I just want to secure some profits on that position, and let's see if like the rest of it could ride. So close half right here. Because we're gonna need to see a new top wick here on this 15, and we didn't close all the way below. But figured we'd lock in some profits. Come on, 15. Can we get the drive? Can we get a runner here?
Come on down for me, baby.
Come on down for me, baby. Didn't like close full at BE, all good, right? I said if you guys aren't comfortable, you had that chance to close at break even. Totally fine. I think I secured like 11 pips on that, half the position. So still got 5 lots going here. Johnny Boy, wow, yeah, dude, fuck, shut up. Just like Sam said, always keep stops just a bit above, man. Just it's worth it, because remember, price can come straight to it and not break it, right, and continue back down, respecting it.
Yeah, like if you go to your MetaTrader, turn on the I believe it's the bid and ask lines. You'll be able to see what price is currently at, like with the spread, so that way you'll know, and like you can kind of gauge it, like where your stop should be.
Yeah.
Usually it's just like, say I don't know, most people have like 3 pip spread on gold, and anywhere from like 2 to 4 or something like that.
Yep.
Just add that to whatever your stop loss is, so that way, in case it does come up to it.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Survive sometimes.
Way to stay composed. Yes, man. I love these trades. Love these trades. So, you know, I like the ones that shoot straight into profit, of course, but there's something different about staying composed, holding the trade, believing in your trade, understanding that you already have the back-tested data, right, to back this trade up. Nick's chilling. It is what it is, folks. I got stopped at break even. Nice. I'm still in. Honestly wasn't sure how to play that. I sat and draw down that whole time, then it broke the highs, flipped, and went in profit. Just wasn't comfortable. Did it break the 1 hour highs?
I don't think so.
It like
Yeah, it like basically did break it.
kinda did.
Yep. All right, chat. Yep, that's it. I got tapped at break even there. But beautiful. Again, way to stay composed. That's the trade. Way to move stops to break even when we called for it, right? We didn't budge. We didn't wait. We didn't we didn't jump the gun early. We waited for that trade to play out. We understood that there was some rejection here and that we should definitely go risk free. Once we started breaking through, and like kind of flirting here, that's when I just, in my mind, I just decided, let's close up. We got a new 15, we got a new 30. So closed half, and yeah, the rest got stopped at break even. But yep, W. So that was 11 pips. 11, 11, 11. And W. Beautiful. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Just a W. Just a W. Perfect. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Secured about, let's see. No, today. Secured about 700 bucks on that. And we're out. And we're coming back up to the 1 hour high here. All right, perfect. So we got a bottom wick here on the 4 hour. Right, so we got a bottom wick, and that's really what we were expecting too. We were expecting that bottom wick, and we didn't know if we were gonna actually push down in the range. But if we do get a closure above here at 930, then there may be room for some more opportunities. But this is what we got now based off the 30-minute time frame. That's the price action we're seeing. So how many pips does it take? Does it take for a New York strip in Miami? 4 pips. 3-4 pips. Was a good lie. Was a good try. Not gonna lie. Was a good try. Not gonna lie. So we got 9:30 coming up here. See how this 30-minute candle closes, and we'll reevaluate where we're at. All right, cool. I cashed out when you placed BE. Nice. 30-minute high was the sign. Yeah, once we were flirting around here, I really wanted to hold the, like, I only closed half because I really wanted to see a push, but if this candle can close above this zone here though, that would be very nice. It kind of looked like the 15 was going to close. You see how it closed? How I said if it closes with a no bottom wick, I'll close half. So it was kind of looking like that was going to happen. So that's the reason I took some partials there. Yeah, the only thing there was the 4 hour, man. The close above, that was the only thing. We never closed above this resistance to the left, but it did close above most recent, so that's why I'm like, you know, it looks good on the 1 hour, looks good on the 30, but the 4 hour told a different story. So and during those times you have to be you know, you have to manage the trade properly. Right, it is what it is. We're in the trade. If this 4 hour would have closed below, I think we would have had a totally different story, right? Next candle could have really drove down, but 4 hour did close above, and yeah. That was a retest breakout. Yep. 4 hour made that low and then just started pushing back up. Yep, absolutely. Higher time frame is why I didn't feel comfortable taking that trade. Yep. You are really mature about trading. Thanks, bro. Gold is still bullish till it breaks below. Yeah, gold's still bullish. Right, but only well, while we were in the trade, the only time frame that said bullish was the 4 hour. Other than that, everything else was screaming bearish, right? So that's the reason for the entry. Mainly this 30-minute celery play here. We were aware of these resistances. That's why we had a close, you know, risk-free close partials there. So I think that trade was handled very well. And now this 4 hour, where could we go, right? 4 hour could really start to push. We got very clean candles to the left-hand side. If this thing wants to drive, it can certainly drive. We'll wait for 9:30 here and see where we're at. I will make 1 year in 90 days. Oh, nice. 1 year trading? Or 1 year salary? Huh? Seems I will wait for the news and use buy stops. Nice. Oh, and sell stops. Alright, KinFX. Do you consider the gap from yesterday? What gap? Oh, the daily time frame gap, right? Is that the one you're talking about? I don't have a gap, but I see what you mean. Oh, I see the gap now. Oh yeah, I do have the gap on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, that gap is right here, basically. So there's a resistance here, so yes, we are considering that gap right there. So you can't see it on TradingView, but there is a gap from yesterday. Yeah, I see it, Michael, yep. Oh, damn, I'm pretty new. Nikolowski, I didn't know you were that new. With a name like that, I thought you were freaking... I thought you had an office with desks everywhere. Top dog, top day trader in your local town. Let me get some water and I'll be right back. Desk in a penthouse in NYC. Oh, dang. Word. Y'all blow on the monitor. Make these charts move. The new strategy. Yeah, I can't believe that spread. All right, let's see. So we do have an onion play here. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick. If we can get a bottom wick, I'll look to take buys back into this area, and then if we can push up, that'd be awesome. So let me just set this up.
Where would you put entries at the break of the previous candle or current candle?
No, current candle. So yeah, chat.
And you put stops the current candle too?
No, I'm gonna use previous candle stops here.
Okay.
Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have a buy stop here. We got NYSE volume coming in. If we break this high, we should should continue up, and I will manage risk right around these areas here. All right, so I've been activated into some buys here. Oh. I'm gonna move my stop to current candle. All right, I'm gonna go break even right here.
Same.
Nice.
Stops are at break even. Gonna, oh, there we go. Gonna close some partials right there. And let's see if we can get this thing to run, baby. Run, run, Rudolph. We should see an explosion right now. We need to get past this high. Tandy's walking the dog. We're good.
Come on, dude.
Yeah, we should continue to push here. Missed it. Oh, NYSE open. Yup, you guys should see a rocket ship right now. This is going to be a juicer. We just got to break past these highs here. That's all we need to do. 15-minute. Yeah, we need to break up. We need to push past this resistance. But it should no doubt happen. There we go. There we go. We got volume here, so it should be good. Perfect. Perfecto. And this was the break-even area for this reason, right? Because this is where, if we look left, right, where can we run into some issues on the buy? Well, if we look left, we have this resistance right here. We also have some resistance as well right here that we talked about this morning. And once we break up past this and break this wick here, then this thing could really fly. So let's see if we have the volume and the push to do it before getting hit at break even. Come on, come on. W, 2 dubs today. Makes up for yesterday.
Stop the break even. Damn.
Yep, me too. All right, we took advantage of the push on both sides here today. Not bad.
We like it, we like it.
Not bad, chat. That was a quick push. So let's mark that up. Let's see, what was that? Another 12 pips, I closed that. Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow. Oh wow. For those that didn't want to go break even both times, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but drawdown ain't one. Alright, let's mark that one up. So that was 9:30. 9:30 a.m. $5 to 23. Gold. That was a buy. That was a breakout. That was pretty much based. No, that was an onion. because we based that one off of support being formed, right? This candle supporting, creating support. Next candle pushing up. So that was an onion. That was a, what do we do? Break a current high, 30-minute, full risk, 12 pips. W. It worked. Let's go with this. Why's my W all the way over here? What's up with that? Oh, huge win for Red FX. Nice. Damn, I went down my elevator and missed it. Nice trade, boys. Yeah, nice trade. Yeah, nice trade, guys. If you guys took that, basically you had your onion play, right? We pretty much had to push up, pull back, create support. 4 hour, 4 hours on our side. 1 hour was on our side. Oh no, actually 1 hour is bearish, but we broke the highs. And 30-minute was the play, counting on the volume here from the NYSE Open. So we got the push we needed. That's all that matters. Came right into the zone and rejected. Right into our zone and rejected on the decimal here. So W analysis. That's why you guys always got to make sure you have your zones marked off properly. I don't know what it is. I think I have a gift from God, and my eye just recognizes I'm pretty good at finding the most common areas in which the zones are formed. So, can you explain moving stops to current candle pretty quickly after the entry? Yeah, because we had that push up, right? We broke this high, and if we're breaking this high, then we got no business coming down. So I want to make sure I'm minimizing my risk at that point. I didn't want to go break even just because I know the volume can fluctuate a little bit here with the volume. But I did want to take my stop and go from pretty much a 29 pip stop to a 15 pip. And then, once we tapped into this area, close partials, move stops to break even was the best idea. And you can see why. Yeah, I just didn't want to go risk-free yet because I didn't want to get tapped out at break even before the push. Because sometimes it'll fluctuate really quick in that area until we break this wick here. Once we rebroke the highs, yeah, on the 30 up. Me now and US 30 sells running. Oh yeah, US 30 sells are probably playing out pretty good here. I think we had
yeah, that's what I've been watching the whole time.
Yeah, I think we had to close below that level, right? Yeah, you had this close below. This is the 30 minutes. Look at the 1 hour. Yeah, no bottom wick, but yeah, remember we discussed this, right? We want to see this candle break the high and create a top wick for this buddy to the left. And that's exactly what happened here. And we came down, basically tapped into the zone and pulling back a little bit now. But W analysis there on US 30 because we called that whole move. Right? We talked about the closure below. We talked about the top wick coming up, making a top wick for this one, and then flipping bearish and filling this range here, which was the range on the 30-minute time frame here. So perfect. Perfecto. Were you in that, Sam?
Not in US 30, no. I'm in NASDAQ.
The NASDAQ. Amazing management. Thanks again for explaining. Yes, sir. I want to be able to emulate that on my own. Yeah, you will. You will. Remember, at one point, I didn't know how to do this. Just remember that. At one point, I had no idea what these candles meant. And we all start in the same place. So if I could learn it, you could learn it. Scott's way smarter than me, too. I'll tell you that. Trust me. Trust me. I'm not that smart, guys. You hang out with me, you're going to be like, he's really not that smart. And I'm going to say, I never told you I was. But yeah, this 30-minute candle is a bit of a cluster here. So we're gonna wait for news now. Wait for news to come out, see if there's anything else for us here today. If not, call it a day and come back mañana. But hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, give the stream a like here if you took a win today. We almost got 100 likes. We need 4 more likes to get to 100. And I believe we cracked... Oh, we got 12 more to go to crack 1,000 subs. So if you guys didn't subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're giving away some cool stuff at 1,000 subscribers. So we're 12 away. So there's 116 people plus on here right now. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel and you took those 2 likes with us, come on. I mean, those 2 wins, sub to the channel for W trades, W trade managements, W explanations. We give it all away for free here. We give it all away. We don't hold back on no secrets, so don't hold back on your sub. Don't take the win and run. Take the win, sub, and then go run if you want. And tune in every day. Seriously, tune in every day, man. We're killing it. We really know what we're doing here. So far we've been streaming since February. February was a bit slow. It started heating up in March. March we went on a run, you know, real quick. I think we went on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trade win streak. Took a little loss. Took another 3. Took a little loss, and finished out the month 18-3. April we did pretty well. Also, we took a nice L for April on the beginning of the month. And yeah, the rest of the month was pretty solid. We only took 1 more loss last month, so 2 losses here in April, and May's off to a good start. 2 days into May, 2 trades. Not bad. Just doing what we do. Why is this not working? Just doing what we've been doing for 2 years. I think it will fill that gap before moving back down. Possibility, but it's not looking like it right now. We just gotta wait now, right? We just gotta wait for a new candle to close, new one to open. But I do appreciate you guys. I hope you guys are learning a lot. I hope you guys are taking this information in for yourself, like Scott said. You know, I really like to emulate that on my own, and you guys can do that. You just have to pay attention. You have to, you know, just focus on what we're doing. Take everything we talk about into consideration here, right? We don't just talk to talk. I'm talking to, you know, based off experience. I've been trading this pair for over 2 years straight, every day during the New York session, so I know how she moves. I know how she moves, baby. And pound yen is... Ooh, can we get this breakout here? Clean traffic on GJ here. You got a nice range. I wouldn't touch anything on GJ besides this range right here. From 178.00 to 169.500. That's a clean range, clean traffic to the left. All you need is a close below this level here. And you actually need to wait for a range too. But if we break this daily low, it looks like we've already established somewhat of a new range in this overall range, right? So you have, if you guys look closely here, even though we're still in the range, we have created a new range, right? A support, a resistance. This candle right here can close below. If it can really close below here, we also break the daily low at that point, and we should continue on down. All right, if we close below there, that's the daily low right here, so should be good. This is the major area of support, major area. Hi there. Wealth Tour Link. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Oh man, we're like, I could feel 1,000. We got 8. We're 8 subs away here today. Can we get to 1,000? 1,000 subscribers. Can we get there? If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, give us a sub. Give us a sub. Uncle Scalp still here? Uncle Scalp, they call chicken parm heroes, they call them subs down here in Florida.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you want a chicken and cheese sub? Like, nah, dude, I want a chicken parm hero, bro.
I want a hero, bro.
What are you talking about? Best New York pizza. Come on, you don't even call it a chicken parm? What's the matter with you?
That's crazy.
What's the matter with you?
It's called Best New York Pizza, and they don't call it a hero.
I think every pizzeria in Florida is called Best New York Pizza. It's scary, bro. It's like the ending, the final scene to Goodfellas, you know? The marinara tastes like water, whatever. Yeah, I gotta come up to New York so I can get some food. If anyone's in New York, I'll probably come up to New York next month. So if you guys want to link up, let me know. Let me know. And if anyone's near Tampa, Clearwater, this area over here, hit me up and we'll set something up. Try and link up. My wife just subbed. Let's go. Oh, I'm headed to my daughter's school to get her to sub. Oh, okay. Okay, Scott. Get her to sub. Get all her friends to sub. We're 5 away, ladies and gentlemen. The countdown has begun. 5, 4, 3. There's 5 people here that are not subbed to the channel that I am, along with the other subs today and all the subs, pouring a blessing upon you, man. I pray that the next 5 people that subscribe to this channel will be blessed in their trading beyond belief. Oh my God, we got 5 subs. But if they don't sub, I pray that their trading be cursed. No, I'm just kidding. Kidding, not kidding.
2 more.
They're like, I don't know if I believe in God. I don't know if I should, but I definitely probably should listen to that. Making you question, man. Putting the fear of the Lord in you. Hey guys, by the way, for those that are interested, we have a little Bible study going. We had a really good time last night. We had a lot of power on our Zoom call last night. So for those that were there, congratulations. And for those that are interested in that, we'll be doing that. I think we're gonna do it every Monday night. Every Monday night, we'll be going through the spiritual tools. And we have done it. Congratulations, chat. 1,000 subscribers. Beautiful.
Okay, one.
Big W's today. Big W's. So what a Tuesday. I was hoping to get it done before my birthday. So we got 1,000 subscribers. Finally, chat. Finally, it's been 3 months. The build up has been real. 1K is a big W for us. I know it's nothing crazy, but we started this channel 3 months ago with the idea that we can just take what we have learned, take what we have experienced, and impact other people with it, pour into others, serve others, right now just being a servant leader, and just pouring out all the experience that we have, and not only calling out trades, but explaining trades, and not only talking about trades, right? Talking about life in general, explaining some things. A lot of deep stuff here, so appreciate you guys. I'm glad that you guys are learning. The channel's growing, so yeah, I definitely believe that people are being impacted. Traders are learning. A lot of traders are growing in their trading like never before. It's a beautiful thing, man. I get messages all day long about how you guys are being more patient, more disciplined. You've been trading better than you ever have before. And some of you guys say, hey, I haven't been trading as much, but I've been trading a lot better, right? And that's when you know you're gonna see growth, right? I heard a long-time multi-million-dollar trader talk about how when trading gets boring, that's when you know you're doing it right. So shout out to all you guys. 1K subs. Appreciate you guys. 1K, Tandy. We done hit it.
Go, let's go.
Let's go. Gotta take a picture of that.
That is awesome.
Congrats.
I get 30 in
W's.
here. I might be able to.
Big W's,
Oh
man.
shit! I sent the chair flying a little fucking hard. Do you hear that?
Big W. Mama, we made it.
I know. I was gonna play a little song.
Mama, we
Or
made
turn
it.
up.
Mama, anything is possible. Kevin Garnett.
Hunt down.
100 down, 100 down. Now we move to 2,000. Big W in the chat. Yeah, yo, big W for chat, man. Big W for you guys, man, for real. This year, what do we got? We need to get Kevin Garnett up here.
NBA champion, how does that sound? Man, I'm so hyped right now. Anything's possible. Anything's possible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mama. Hey, Kevin Garnett be trading too, guys.
BB, it's for everybody. Subcat, Basswood,
Yo, shout out to my Uncle Pete, my uncle, my aunt Diane. Top of the world, baby.
Kevin, what does top of the world feel like, Kevin? I'm so happy right now. I'm certified. I'm certified.
Hey, we hit 1,000 subs, chat. We certified.
One more, Kevin. To do this, you talked about Minnesota, you talked about that, but to do this.
Man.
I'm just happy that we carried our tradition. What you gonna say now?
Ooh.
What can you say now? Made it, Bob.
Mama. Good old KG. Hey, y'all know that KG be trading Forex, right?
I think I've seen that. Is that him, the basketball player?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, but big win today, man. We took 2 wins on the board here today and 1,000 subs, man, which is incredible. So I really do love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I show up here every day for myself, but also because I feel I'm called to pour in, right? I feel like I'm called to be that city on the hill and just take what I've learned, take what I've experienced, and pass it along. So now we only up from here, gang. Off to 2,000.
Yes, sir.
Anything
Yes,
is possible.
sir.
Now we need 1K viewers. That's where we're going next.
Yeah, I was trying to play you a song in the mic, but it was not playing. I was trying to play that one I was singing. Bug ups and comments.
Hey, how do I get that music on Discord?
Oh,
I mean, not music, the sound.
that soundboard. Wait, yeah, join in the general and then click the little. It's next to that rocket ship. Once you click and join in there, you gotta be in that, I think.
Oh.
Yeah. Just. This is what I'll say. Keep your head. Like, do you see where your mic is muted? Keep the little headset thing muted too. Down next to it. Right below all that.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, mute the deafen. Yeah, keep that on just in case. So, like, what you could do is you could sit in there and then just use the soundboard if you wanted to.
Where's the soundboard now?
It's right to the right of that rocket ship. I don't know why
Rocket
it's grayed out though.
Oh, this one?
Oh, when you're deafened, you can't hear it. Oh, wait, never mind. Maybe you can't sit in there with it muted then.
It's got
I was just gonna say keep your headset muted so that way, like, in case people will just join in.
Oh, I see what's going on.
You could probably make like a private channel too and just sit in that.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Dude's about to expose personal info.
All right, let me pull this off to the side.
Yeah, you make me nervous doing that shit, bro.
I know I got some geek hackers in the chat that we can't see right now. So
some geek hackers.
some hackers. All right, let's see. All right, let's take a look.
Or their goal is to jump at 10.
All right, here it is.
I was just going to say
1,000 subs. All right,
yeah.
there we go. There we go.
Air horns, air horns.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wrong one, wrong one.
1,000 subs. Funk flex on them. All right, good work, ladies and gents. Good work. GJ gonna close below? Maybe. Maybe, maybe.
Dude, where's that TikTok Sigma song that I put in here, bro?
Ooh.
Never wanna see you again.
I really need to close above here. If not, maybe we wait for news to come out. I'm still open to taking another position here till about 10:30 here today, but if we can get a candle to close like this, that'd be perfect. Next candle, we'll be able to take the position. We'll go break even right here and look to fill this range here. Above 92, personally, is in my opinion, the best range for gold here today. Damn, 2 loots already sneaked out of mine, and Goblin himself ain't in it. Oh. This is gonna be our loss. When we take a loss, which is very rare, we're gonna play this.
Yeah, dude, I feel like you can have a lot of fun with that. I'm sure you can. I think there's other.
You can add sounds too. Yeah, I'll take a look at this later.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I think you can download files and put what you want in. But like, you should make a separate voice channel that like people can't join, because literally anybody in the Discord right now could just join in that chat and start screaming whatever they want into the mic.
I see, I see.
Chat, do not get any ideas.
Don't get any ideas. So I could lock this channel though.
Yeah, you can lock it, or you can make another one, just like, because there's like a general. You can still have the general voice chat, and then just make a private one too.
Gotcha.
Right underneath it, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna be doing a giveaway here. Probably pick some winners tomorrow, or maybe we'll pick winners on Friday, which is my birthday. So maybe we'll pick the winners on Friday.
Hey.
Yeah, we'll do that. So winners will be picked.
What is that? The 6th?
That's the 5th.
The 5th?
Yeah.
Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo. So we'll pick the winners on my birthday, chat.
There goes gold.
Perfect. We need this. This is the news. We need it to close above here.
Oh wow, yeah. That's great.
Oh. You guys are gonna have me all playing with this thing now. Woo. So yeah,
Wow.
See, this is what I wanted to see this candle do. So news came out here. Oh, negative news. Less than. So that'd be good for gold, right? Good for good for gold. Bad for USD.
Yeah, bad news for the, I believe that was the retail sales. Let me forget.
Any entry? No. No entry just yet.
No job.
We don't like to trade news. It's big spreads. Volume's there, but spreads are crazy, so.
It went with no bottom wick too.
Yeah,
That's
no
not
bottom
good.
wick, nothing.
We don't like those.
So yeah, all we need is a close above this zone here, and then we should be good to continue up here.
That wick fill was crazy.
Which one, Jay?
The hourly?
Oh, right here. You took that for news?
I was in when everybody was in on those buys. When you got in,
Oh, nice, nice.
I held that all the way through.
Oh, cool.
It never broke 15-minute or 30-minute low, so that's why it was just like, fuck it.
You're still in, Jay?
No, I'm all out. TP was the body here, 1995. Yeah, because I don't know if it's gonna fill the gap here, so I was just taking it to the gap.
Oh yeah, I would have held maybe to like 98 there, bro. You got pretty
It
clean.
looked good. I was just like, bro, I'm not gonna lie, because like I was in the cells with you guys and I had to manage it just because like I knew it wasn't gonna, like it did, like it was feeling trappy. You know what I mean? And then I had stacked it as it broke.
The
And I
stack
had to
king.
manage it. And then I had to make back a loss and then just held these gold buys and made back the loss and 2% on top. So it's pretty good.
Amazing job, Jay.
Oh man, dude.
I thought you all guys were in this. My bad. I was just had
No.
my mic muted and shit.
We just weren't in. I mean, we closed, but news rocked you up, which is nice. Perfect.
Yeah, the news was was the one thing that was making me nervous, but the fact that the hourly closed like bullish engulfing with like a continuation pattern.
Yeah. I
that
see
was
that.
it for me. That's the only reason why I held it.
Nice
Yeah.
little support.
Solid.
Yeah, it's a
I
nice
think we can
support.
keep on
for
going up to 2K, so maybe buys again here shortly.
Yeah, I want to see this candle close. If we can close above here, very clean candles now to 89 and then to 2004 here.
Yeah, let's see for it. Let's wait for it.
Keep pushing. Marvin must be in the buys. Made back an L as well with the buy. Nice. No top wick here on pound yen. Nothing. Trading gets very, very simple when you trade by rules. When you come rule-based, trading becomes extremely simple. Right? Doesn't matter where this candle goes, as long as it pulls back. If it can close something like this, which I doubt because there's still a lot of time left in this candle. But all we're looking for now is a closure above. If we can get a close above, perfect. If we can get a close, if it continues running, then we'll look to get a close above here. Because you still got clean traffic, right? You still got a wick to fill, clean candles to the left. This is all, now that we've broken past this, we are all clean. There's nothing holding price back at this point. Now that we've pushed up past here.
I'm starving though, boys. I think that might be it for me. The 3 yogurts I had ain't holding over, dog. There goes Naz.
Three yogurts ain't holding. It ain't doing it.
I know. I had them Chobanis with the flip.
Oh.
I have brownie coffee, mocha, some bullshit. I don't know. It is good though.
Nice. Nice.
I think like some cereal, some eggs, something. Call my name. That's all I had to about. But huge day, 2 W's.
Yeah,
1,000 subs.
3 dubs, man. 2 wins on the charts and 1 big win in the chat.
Yes, sir.
Giveaway coming Friday. Looking forward to it.
Alrighty.
You're out,
Peace
brother?
out, chat. Peace out, everyone in the Zoom.
All right,
Man,
Sammy
out
boy.
here starving, bro.
Have a great day, bro. Go fill that belly.
See ya, my man.
Yes, sir. I'll be here tomorrow too. Don't worry.
All right. Hey, chat's gonna hold you accountable to that.
Oh yeah, hold me accountable. I'll be here.
All right, brother. Hope you have a good day. Yeah, man, spread was trash on that gold sell. I can't believe that. Ray, Raja better come through on your birthday. Oh yeah, that'd be dope. I'm sure it'll happen like that. So yeah, we'll wait for this news to calm down real quick. Nick, need help setting up magic keys. Got you, bro. There's also a very simple magic keys.
Oh.
I think it's this one.
When you go to the website, you will be given a link after you purchase to install the software. So for simplicity's sake, we already have the software here. Download it.
Yeah, so this is a step-by-step guide to install magic keys. I'm going to link this in the Discord for you guys. For those of you that are getting magic keys, if you guys click the link in the YouTube description, I have a link also for magic keys. You can get it right through there. But I'll also put this video. Oh yeah, the link is also here as well if you guys need magic keys. And then this is a magic key install guide. So if you still need my help, Jose, I got you, bro. But check this video out. You might be able to just hook it up real quick. Pretty simple. But it was very complicated in the beginning for me. I had Jay help me out like 5 times in a row. Thanks to Jay, who knows everything about trading. I mean, who knows everything about computers. Pushing. Yeah, how sick would that be if Raja came through on Friday? He streams on Fridays, right? I think he streams on like Mondays and Fridays. If he jumps on and brings his whole stream on with him, and we get like 5,000 eyeballs on us, oh man, I'm telling you, chat. It's a wrap. Hey, Uncle Scout.
What up?
How'd you do on that?
I got it at B.
Okay, did you close any partials?
I didn't.
Okay, no worries, bro.
I just got that 1L on the cells this morning.
Oh,
wait,
what cells? These ones? Oh,
I got some, yeah, me and John got stopped.
Damn, yeah, that's right.
Me and John got stopped on those.
Yeah, I guess it did break the high here. I think, yeah. I think that might have been afterwards, though. Broke the high again. News is rocking. So we got a 15-minute candle closing up here. Let's take a look to the left hand side. 15-minute resistance right here. Pretty clean traffic to the left. Pretty clean traffic as well over here. So I may be interested when we close on the 15-minute. If not, maybe 15-minute celery, 30-minute breakout. I'm up a pretty penny here today, so I'm not really trying to rush anything. Rip it. She's juicer. This was all due to news here, so. Tomorrow's a big day. Tomorrow is a big day. We have unemployment change. We have, they're talking about crude oil as well, inventories. You got ISM, PMI. You have FOMC. You have the Fed. It will be talking tomorrow. So they'll be increasing rates here tomorrow. And I'm sure in the press conference, they'll then be talking about inflation, right? So big day tomorrow. Lots of volume. And we'll be doing 2 streams tomorrow. So we'll stream the morning, obviously, as always, and then we'll stream the afternoon for the press conference as well. Holy. We got a bleeder on GJ with no top wick. No top wick. That's how I feel with no top wick. Believe it's tapping into the, yeah. Nice, yeah, there's nothing stopping pound yen here. Nothing stopping pound yen. Should be a bleeder. The gap is closed. Nas 100's a bleeder. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at US 30 as also. Oh, what do you know? What do you know, chat? Look at that. So for those who took our analysis on US 30, you should be sitting gorgeous right now. 248 points here. Next stop is this low right here. Anybody take our top-down analysis on US 30 here today? We waited for this top wick. I knew that was gonna happen, man. I knew we'd come up, make a top wick, re-break the low, and then you just had super clean traffic here. Nothing holding price back. And when did it start to run? 9 a.m., right? Just like we talked about. It's not going to run until about 9. This candle was right here, 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. News pushed it down pretty heavy. Let's take a look at NAS 100 here. Nice. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have gotten into any of these sells until I got a closure, but it's clearly pushing down, right? Something's pushing it down. It's a bleeder. Oh wow, gold is just, yep, bye-bye. Gold is outie. Gold done left the gate without us, chat. I'm about to get mad corny with this. So 15-minute candle closed. No top wick really. So we'll wait another 15-minute candle, and if nothing, we'll call it a day right where we're at. Gold zooming. Tapping into 2K right here. Yep, exactly. So you guys are gonna find a common theme with gold. You're gonna find that there's a lot of consolidation and then big breakouts. You're always gonna see that. That's one thing about gold, is it consolidates well and then it breaks out. Alright. Consolidation here. Breakout. Consolidation. Breakout. Consolidation. Break up. Break down. I like to call it the gas station. Gold be fueling up. The gap is filled.
Ah, man.
What do you guys call this formation here? I'm sure someone's seeing something. I call it the my name in cursive. Looks like my name.
Can't believe that spread took me out.
Yeah, I don't think you were the only one.
God dang.
What, on the cells?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, same thing happened to me.
Yeah.
I took you out to 10.
Yeah. But I did manage it before because I was risking 5%.
Sheesh.
So, okay.
Yeah.
Light work.
My boy was up in that lot.
Yo,
Gee.
I'm trying to change my life today.
I ain't waiting another day.
So I fortunately only lost 1% off that, but then those buys came
Yeah,
through.
I was only in for 1.5. So
You took profit on the buys, Tandy, or you break even?
Oh yeah, I was up 70 pips on the buys.
Oh, beautiful.
Another
Yeah.
5% risk.
Yeah, man. Tandy quit that job. He said, "I need that money now."
Dude, it's just crazy. I'm not scared, bro. I'll risk 10% on my account, bro. I wouldn't say anybody else to do it, but I'm just saying.
Don't try this at
Where I'm
home,
at in
ladies
my
and
life.
gentlemen.
Do the 1 to 2%.
Don't try 5% risk at home. Leave
at
that
all.
up to the professionals.
I mean, I got a small account chat, so I mean, to be completely honest.
We did it.
I like it. Dude, W on the 1,000 subscribers though, bro. That's crazy.
W on the 1,000 subs. Hey, yo.
It's just awesome to see the stuff that we were talking about like a year ago, and you did it, and it's all come to fruition. Amazing community. We're all gaining these pips and this knowledge.
Yes, sir.
I love it, man. I seriously love it.
Yeah. It's deeper than trading.
It is. It really is.
I'm gonna come back tomorrow and try to get a move.
We'll get it, my man. We will get it.
Yes, sir. Sam, I love Sam's energy. Big dubs. Thank you, YouTube. My name's Raja Banks.
Oh shit, it's raining right now.
Oh, we got a beautiful day out here.
Yes, sir. It's beautiful outside.
Buy stops at the break of the highs. Holy long wicks. GJ been holding that since this morning. Yeah. GJ. No top wick. Corny sad air horn. Bummer. May have been interested if we had a top wick, but it's a party. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel too, you could still subscribe, and by Friday, just make sure you're subscribed because that's where we're gonna pick the winner of the challenge accounts.
My name is Raja Banks, and in the last 2 years, 2.5
I became a multi-gazillionaire. Alright. A year from now, you could be at 50K subs. Oh yeah, no doubt. No doubt about that. 1K is just a stepping stone. That's peanuts. Peanuts. Yeah, Golden ran without us here. May start to range here now. What the fudge is this? Oh yeah. Why would I stop? Yeah, that's probably gonna be it here, chat. Golden pushed up. Range around 2,000 in news tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna wait for tomorrow here. Let's let gold do whatever it wants to do today. Let's take a look at the daily candle here. What did I say? Felt and smelt a fake out, and that's exactly what we're seeing. So had a strong feeling that this would have been a fake out here today, as we discussed in the breakdown here. So listen, if we can get a close on this daily candle above this nasty resistance, look at this for tomorrow. Look at this. This is gonna be beautiful. Fed coming in to do some speaking. This is a 400 pip clean range for gold to really push in tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna wait for here. Done for the day. We did really well today. Took 2 wins. So you know, what more can you ask for? Plus 1,000 subs. Now we just wait, right? We just wait for this daily candle to close. And if it closes something like this, you already know. Come to the charts tomorrow, ready to eat. You'll probably have news kind of wick us down, nice big wick down, and then continue on bullish tomorrow. So that's what we'll be looking for. That's what we'll be waiting for. And we'll have 2 streams going tomorrow. So 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon for the press conference. And yeah, that's gonna do it here today, chat. So W on the day, man. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Sub to the channel on the way out. Appreciate you guys for 1,000 subscribers here. Big mission, or big milestone, I should say. And now we're on to the next, right? Take a win.
Yes, sir.
And move on to the next.
Yes, sir.
All right, chat. Love you guys, man. Hope you guys have a great Tuesday. Enjoy it. Go do something nice for somebody today. Go do someone nice for someone that can't do anything in return for you. If you feel grateful today, go out and help somebody out. So, see you guys tomorrow. And be ready for FOMC.
Peace, chat. Have a beautiful day.
Peace,
Love
gang.
y'all. See you tomorrow.
Peace.
Later, y'all.
Peace.
Peace. Later, chat. Love you guys. Like and sub on the way out, please, and thank you.
Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do to separate my love from you. You can be set us free. You can be set us free. I am no longer bound. You can be set us free. You ain't drive me in that pit. Saw my soul inside that fame and said that's it. Great now. You never flake in the cold winter. I just came to borrow with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me here, go get it. Shed blood, give me lemonade on this cold bennett. Pick me up. Always Tammy Turner, always chasing after Vicky. Took me to his fountain, gave me peace and chose to cleanse me up. Now I'm testifying of your greatness. This a different look. Go, life ahead, hard, let's take it slow. Take a walk by the river and let you flow.